Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Over big yard to Kimmeling, big up. Nicky Nan, big up. Miss Jones, big up. Van Dalia, big up.
Praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people. Let's go.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Big up An Blenda, Dancehall.
Hey, 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 yeah. Hey. Up there, up there, up there. Up there, up there, up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the lead for me bad mind.
Check. 1 3, 1 3, 1 3.
Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
One people, one, big up on yourself, Ragashanti line, on the app, Ragashanti line, on the app. Big up on yourself, big up all who from up, so, wrong, so, down, so, over, so, under, so, back, so, yeah, man, whichever, so, right? All right, large up, large up, Sean, me see you, large up yourself in a millionaire Greenland, me see you spiritually blessed, large up, one and touch, shine at the place, I would them hear about Christina, I will say she butters, me see you, Tony LaBelle, large up yourself, man, big up on yourself, people, what a piece of cool the power up in the New York, yeah, oh, they did beat her today. I told me that if I take my youth go, doctor, you know, it's you want to go there. Never did a plan for go there, you know. I said, you know, you have to carry KJ one doctor's appointment and things, see. If walking, big up yourself, man. Sean say, man, cool and nice. And wait there, you know, so somebody they send me something. Talk about man, somebody send me something, you know, and did that them link me and tell me about it, you know. But me never, let me see. Hear this. Breaking news. The United States government has concluded pressure negotiations with 7 member countries of the Caribbean community, CARICOM, Guyana, Dominica, St. Lucia, Antigua and Barbuda, Belize, St. Kitts and Nevis, and Barbados. These agreements aim to guarantee the reception of asylum seekers deported from the United States and unable to return to their country of origin. Terence Drew, Prime Minister of St. Kitts and Nevis, highlighted the challenges of these tense negotiations. Countries refusing to cooperate are exposed to indirect sanctions from the United States, including restrictions on visas and difficulties in international banking exchanges. Correspondent banking. Delicate decisions between economic pragmatism and political submission. What a word. The signatory countries of this agreement have negotiated conditions: obligatory clean criminal record for each refugee, full funding by the United States, transport, accommodation, food aid, and priority to nationals of the CARICOM zone in a situation of migratory impasse. The Barbadian government does not hide its dissatisfaction. Kerry Simmons, Minister of Foreign Affairs, describes the agreement signed as unwilling, highlighting the pressure exerted by Washington, which is difficult for small island economies to ignore. Antigua and Barbuda imposed a cap of 10 asylum seekers per year, fluency in English, and mandatory professional training, initial right of residence limited to 24 months termination clause within 90 days. Terence Drew, the Prime Minister of St. Kitts and Nevis and current president of CARICOM, announced that his country will not receive Haitian refugees, citing security concerns. This decision highlights tensions with CARICOM, where Haitian immigration is sometimes seen as a silent invasion. Guyana, in full economic growth, sees this situation as an opportunity. The country, facing a labor shortage in seeking to attract nearly 80,000 qualified workers. However, this initiative arouses strong criticism from the local opposition, who denounces the reception of people whom other countries do not want. The Organization of Eastern Caribbean States has established a technical team to oversee the implementation of these agreements. The United States has set a cap of 7,500 refugees for this relocation program for the year 2026. So, make we lay language it up. So the United States drop them 7 Caribbean country and say, yeah, man, we want to send deportees to your country, you know. So them did I say, no, we can't, whatever this and that. And the United States, according to this press release, basically tell them, say, and you know, do it such and such and such and such, including in something to do with international banking. So as many of you are aware, you know the SWIFT thing. Anybody know about money transfer, international money transfer, SWIFT, and basically money transaction go through the United States. There are quite a few countries out there right now who are attempting to put infrastructure in place to circumvent those long-standing U.S. anchored infrastructure of international commerce, you know. But as was said by one of these official, when you have these little countries, they must say, we have them pulled, you know. In other words, they're not an India, they're not China, they're not a BRICS nation who can take a hit and them have option. I must say, and look at country, everything what we do, go through something to do with something where the United States own. So it looked like some of the countries, they accepted it and negotiated, you know, some preferences with them have, you know. So again, the United States has told 7 Caribbean countries that, yeah, we have deportees who we want you to take, and you have to take them, because if you don't take them, bam, 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 bam. So them I'm going to take them. And again, those countries are Guyana, Dominica, and remember now, Dominica is different from the Dominican Republic. La República Dominicana, right? The Dominican Republic is different from Dominica. Just want to remind you of that. So it's Guyana, Dominica, St. Lucia, that's 3, Antigua and Barbuda, 4, Belize, 5, St. Kitts and Nevis, 6, and Barbados. Interesting. And the United States say, apparently between these 7 nations for the year 2026, the United States going to go up to 7,500 deportees to each of these countries. Well, I don't know if it's going to be evenly distributed, but if such is the case, then you can, each country will get 1,000 odd people because that's 7 countries. Now, you would notice that there's some nations that are not on the list. Jamaica is not on the list. Trinidad is not on the list. Wait, they want to notice also say, yeah, man, what you're missing. They notice the other list that will come out what there. But UFA visa get whop up on all them something there. You know, when the United States suspended the processing of immigrant visas, which is different from non-immigrant visas, right? Remember now, non-immigrant visas, they're visiting visas. Immigrant visas are various visas that be like, you know, migrate. Okay? So it's not this simple, but to facilitate comprehension, green card, right? So them suspend all green card processing for 75 countries, which included Jamaica. That list they include Jamaica, as you know already. But I notice that Trinidad never had on the list there. Trinidad. A certain little thing, you know, whatever. And the woman who are in Trinidad, you know, the ranking woman, she face TC. She not like we, you know. But she named Bissa Sarah, sitting on whatever. That woman never run Trinidad. She not like Jamaica. And she very, I find her to be unnecessarily disrespectful at times. And she don't really care for Jamaica, you know. And I remember when one big drama did go on and them, you remember when Trinidad did that deport Jamaicans? And I remember that, yeah, there was a big thing did that go on and, you know, Trinidad did that deport Jamaican and a be a dashboard and all them something there and, you know, whole heap of disrespect and thing, you know. And then when the whole thing they go down with the 75 country, she come up, but we behave ourselves. Like she said, we different, we not nice, we not kind of come out like say, we don't have them combo and whatever this and that. And if anybody know the politics of going on Trinidad, you know, between Indian people them, the people them of Indian descent and the people them of black descent, you go on a Guyana too, you know. A be a drama going on there with that, you know. A be a drama, like historically too, you know. Right? How about Trinidad can feed them? Say, I don't know. Just cool, man. Let me give you a hint. The blockade from Venezuela, Trinidad negotiate with the US and say, yeah, man, you can launch no for your operations from down there, so from our country, man. So a lot of United States military assets are now in Trinidad, and Trinidad is a launching point for so Trinidad, you know, so the United States, and man, you cool, man, because you work with me. Don't get it twisted, though. The present government of Jamaica, they're very much, you know, and enjoying good relations with the United States, even though we did it on the list what there. So the Andrew Woonis government is and they're in the good graces of the United States. So that's probably why Jamaica probably never did it on the list there too. You know what I'm saying? Because for those of you who don't know, I'm not going on the details, but let us say with some of the hot button issues out there, our Jamaican government right now, they, you know, them pick a side. Who know what me talk about, know what me talk about, but them pick a side. Them pick a side and the side where them pick, and them get the benefit. As opposed to, for example, Mia Motley over in Barbados. She pick a side too, you know, but she pick the other side. She pick the other side, then where Andrew pick, where Brogard pick. So she go pick the other side and talk about this and that and whatever, this and that. See, they know, you know, when them put on them foot, them say, Barbados, you ain't this too, and I want me to you, boy, you over there run up your mouth and pick side and whatever. But Jamaica get. So people, hear that one here. Make sure someone come in with a mix up. I would start with it upon a mix up topic. Read upon a mix up topic. Yeah, whenever I want topic, somebody I go tell me. Christina soon tell me. But me, I want to look a mix up phone though before we kick off. Now, before we go in, you know what I'm going to do this long time, I want to get a sense. 500 hard on there. Location roll call. Location roll call. Location roll call. Where are you watching from right now and thing? Post it up. Remember, this is going to go fast, you know. Where are you watching from right now? Jamaica, California, Bahamas, UK, Queens, London, Florida, ATL, Boston, Brooklyn, Jesus God, watch your back, Connecticut, New York, Toronto, I can't even keep up. Staten Island, Maryland, Los Angeles, Cayman, Port St. Lucie, Afghanistan, Quincy, Belize, Chicago, Houston, somewhere in Jersey, Deltona, Texas, Philadelphia, Mobile, Los Angeles, Asheville, North Carolina, Hamden, Connecticut. I know this. Bronx, New York, Mississippi, Nottingham in England, Long Island, Queens, Cayman, Colorado Springs, Fort Lauderdale, Jamaica, Brampton, Oxford in the UK, Wimbledon, Mobile, Bermuda. And one somebody say under one girl frack, Las Vegas, Bahamas, Colorado Springs, Antigua, Pennsylvania, Cali, Turks and Caicos, Colorado, Panama, Santa Catalina, right? Milo, upon our global trek as usual, Edmonton in England, Canarsie in Brooklyn, Nashville, Tennessee, Mountain View, Brooklyn, CT, New York, Jacksonville, Florida. Somebody say ANC headquarters. That if the ANC headquarters, you know that is a cardboard box there. So she there ANC headquarters. Them in some used Amazon box or that them live in a ANC headquarters or that there. Sean, she said she there on one body and thing and whatever makes you bloat. Whatever makes you bloat. Le Patterson, that's what Illinois said, Le Patterson. That's Patterson, New Jersey for you. From Silver Spring in Maryland, Virginia. Homdale. Poochie says she there, Homdale. Holmdel. That's in New Jersey. Poochie are the people in Mania there? Eh? Are the people in Manyard that poach talk up if they are the people in Manyard that lay down on the woman sheet and all them something there. Eh? Poach talk up in them because I don't know why the energy it's like the universe. I tell me say they are the people in Manyard. Poach say your man. No people, poach and the people in Manyard there are under the woman comforter. Me don't know any poach like people better have some Jamaican name, you know. Them are trouble, you know, right? Me know so the Keisha them get beaten. The Keisha them, you know, them not easy. For your name Keisha, me I talk to a woman and thing and me I say, my girl, you know, so me I look for you for one day and thing and whatever. Me know so yes, she say me I look for you, you know. And more where me see you like, you know, yeah, give me back look at eyes and thing and whatever. You know, me just feel good, you know. So you did not give me 2 minutes, I want nobody to know, so I drive for you and whatever, you know, but you know, so I don't even talk to you yet, I'm like you, just from your energy, you know. Of course, you look attractive and whatever, but I just want to get to know you some more, you know what your personality is like and see if you and I, if we can align, if we're compatible, if I can give you some full body massage and all these things and whatever. And she's like, really? I said, what's your name, boo? Come on, what's your name? And she said, Keisha. Bye! Bye, me don't want you again. Boy, yes, Keisha, bye! Me don't want you again. Gone, yeah. Yeah, man, Keisha, man. You have some name, man. You have a leg of man for you. You know, running Keisha, them won't take me. No, when the Keisha, them, we have some name, them just straight up, you know, Jamaican, you know, Poochie. You can't go around a Poochie, you know, if you're a Jamaican name, you know. Poochie, proper Jamaican name that, you know. We're not too young for know about that song. Hello, Poochiloo. How do you do? When you remember me, my baby, I'm so in love with you. Woo. Hello, Poochiloo. Come sit on me tool. Anyway, I'm being disgusting as usual. Hear the mix up, you know. So, couple, two of them there, and sitting, and them, you know, juggle the two of them there and thing and whatever. Wait. So, them a bill, you know. And the man now, him used to out there. You know what I mean, right? Him used to out in the street and money did a run them time there when him out in the street, you know. And one of them thing there, you know, never balance up the money certain way or invest it certain way and whatever and thing like that. And I look at thing go down with him and him they get bite. You see what I say? I'm do a look a small stretch and thing and touch back the road and, you know, them girls say, yeah, what go on and now, you know, me could just, yeah, we used to roll certain way. I could just kind of balance up your thing right and now come in and want you go back in this, I love you and boom, bam, 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 bim, see? So them say, all right, boom, them, you know, I'm going to juggle upon the straight and narrow, you know, and roll a 9 to 5 and all these things and whatever. And I'm get a job, get a couple job and end up in a job, but it's reasonable and sitting. But when emergency did reach them and thing and them did flat out and sitting and then him go lose him job. And, you know, things get rough and them dip on E and whatever. So then now, him get the opportunity for interview for one nice job. But the job where him did I do before is a kind of rough type of thing, you know? But the job where him I get now is a dress-up thing. So him need for go to interview and whatever and he think kind of mag and whatever and he must say, boy, him do him have a suit because him have to wear a suit go to interview based on the job where him I go, you know? Anyway, she go so now, boom, bam, bam, bim, and say, all right, me go get her money for you, right? And go to, and she go talk to who she talk to and whatever and get a loan. And go so bam now and give him the money now and she go buy the suit for him too, right? She go buy the suit for him and thing and come home with the suit and give him the suit and whatever. Him wear the suit, go to interview and thing. But, you know, when you do one interview, you have to go back for one next interview with some of them jobs. Some of them jobs, you have to go at 3-4 interviews before you get a job. Them, you know, meet different people and them kind of feel you out and see if you're a good fit in them organization, etc. You know, this is like standard out there and thing. So when him you know, I the one suit him have now, so him wear back that suit there with a different shirt, you know, them style and whatever. So him wear back that suit then now, and go do the interview and thing and whatever, and him come out and him tell her, say, yo, the interview go on good, you know. And thing and whatever. And then him say, I go get something to eat. And him go, what the place name and where, oh Lord, you know, the Mexican fast food place, not Kidoba. I think Kidoba are locked down. What the more popular one name? The Mexican fast, somebody soon put in the chat. What the popular Mexican, Chipotle, it's the same one. So you go Chipotle. I put Taco Bell. Taco Bell, they bought long time. Chipotle like bossy one, man. So you go Chipotle now, and they at Chipotle and whatever. And when in there at Chipotle, him go in a line. So when him go in a line, him say somebody a look back on him, like somebody keep a look back on him, and him never pay no mind at first. But then when he look good now, I'm woman X. Him woman who him there with, you know. I fear X in the line, and the X keep on a look back on him. Him no pay no mind. Or the preke go, him no pay no mind. So the X keep on a look on him now. So I want by him say, yo, big man, where you look for me for? So the ex must say, watch out, you can't stop me from look and whatever. So I said, no, stop, look for me, man, and whatever, and them start arguing in a Chipotle. You know, I say when the argument are real out and thing, theme, woman, ex, go say something along the lines of, I hear that I run up your mouth and thing and whatever. You don't even know, say, my money buy the suit where you have on. Boom, boom.
I need to go An Blenda time.
The man, woman, ex tell the man, say, yeah, they are going like a wicked and all them something there. My money buy the suit where you have on. And that if you know here. And whatever and thing. So, a brother, well, oh, him tell him woman, because of the woman talking. But the brother said, when him say that, it's like him I say, what him a talk about? What him a talk about? So him get silent, you know? I ain't lying, but him start think now, and I say, hold on. Raga, check out the pronunciation. Which pronunciation? I want to pronounce wrong. Dirty people, yeah. I say, all right, tell me how I want to pronounce. Tell me how I want to pronounce wrong. Let me fix it. I have no problem being corrected. I want to pronounce wrong. When you tell me how I want to pronounce wrong. Then we a Chipotle in the how it pronounce? Chipotle? What? Chipotle? How it pronounce? Chipotle. Actually, on the right, you know. On the right, the T sound doesn't exist in Spanish, but me I pronounce it the English way. On the favor fart, when I move from here, I want to do a dirty self and thing, but you know, want Christina, but I can't even focus on. You see how on the time? But she can't focus because me not pronounce something right. At Chipotle, I say, when I go, man, on the favor fart, and I think when they work, no, it's Chipotle. It's Chipotle. Which is the right pronunciation in Spanish. But when I go, man, when they take set for me, I think I bet you say on a laundry bag full of dirty drawers, and they come and take set for me, cherry boy. Allow me. Anyway, people, you know, say our ex, she go borrow the money from. She go borrow money from her ex to buy the suit for her man. Him go the interview and thing, and lo and behold, him and the ex catch up and thing, and the ex go really throw it and whatever. First of all, several things, right? Big man reasoning right now. Big man reasoning. One, she shouldn't do that. Right? In general, right? If you're there with somebody, and let me be careful, because enough people that reach enough people, you know. And hear the thing, you know. Because, well, I'm just so to know, him think say she could have did go sleep with the man. She said she never sleep with him. And there have been many situations like that where the people reach out to them ex, and them never sleep with them ex. Meanwhile, several situations like that, and them never sleep with the ex, right? So me, you know, but the insecurity where the man there and whatever, you know, them look away there, him go think that now one day she sleep with him and whatever, or she been asleep with him and thing and whatever. But she said she never sleep with him. Who she tell? Say no, she never, you know, and she said no, him never moved toward them where they are nothing. Him never did a look it and all them something. But one, she shouldn't did go, but taking money from the ex. Follow me, you know. But even if she said emergency reach her and she go borrow money from her ex for do a thing for her man, she shouldn't tell her ex where she use the money for her man. She shouldn't do that. She shouldn't go tell him that. You understand? And then, how did it go again? There was a next thing when I said, no, she shouldn't. I something I said, when I tell her, no, I go agree with it. Apparently, when she get the money, she go to the mall at the same time. And she did there at the mall for a while when she buy the suit and then come home late after she get the money and whatever. So around that, him I wonder now if when she did go, if she did, oh yes, this is it. When him go ask her, say, I him borrow the money from her, whatever, and thing like that and whatever, she tell the truth. She say, yeah, I him borrow the money from her, and them start argue. Then him go say, you did go over him yard for the money and whatever. And she go tell him the truth. Me know say no founder not go agree with me, I said no, you know. Me know say no founder not go agree with me, but it's all right. Him, remember, you know, she done say she and him not do nothing, you know. Right? So me I say she shouldn't go to her ex, go ask her ex money. Forgive her man, even though her emergency, she shouldn't do that. But even if she do that, she shouldn't did go tell her ex what she want the money for. She should have give the ex a different card and whatever. And not make him too no, nothing and whatever. Because him couldn't do that, tell the man them something. Them. 3, him ask her, say, I go the night when you come home late with the suit. I over female, they go for the money and thing, and she go say, yeah. She should have lied. She should have said, no, he meet me at the mall. She should have did tell lie. Who agrees? Say she should have tell lie. Or she will tell. All right. All who say she will tell the truth or lie. If it say truth, write truth. If it say lie, put lie. Let me see what going. If it say she will tell the truth, write say true. If it truth. If you say she did for lie, put lie. Let me say lie. Well, be a liar, come over there, you know. Oh, see why truth get squeezed in. Also, a couple more truth. Watch out the truth, them a come back. Watch out. Look how much truth are coming in, you know. Oh, my thing say lie, they take it and run down with it, you know. So what if I truth for? Me if he say she should have lie. Me if he say she should have tell lie. Listen. Right? Me know somehow have that something I like. Lie is just inherently bad. Right? Lie is just inherently bad. Somehow don't have that something there. And that you must always tell the truth. And you're on God's side and you know say someone have that something there. But no found who I say so now, no tell lie all the while. Obviously, no tell lie to pick me and thing, or understand them something there. Right? But no found who no tell lie all the while too. When it convenient phone and go on like you forget it. You know much I don't know when on the first time when I go get on a new partner, one headers, I want to look at eat things, and you talk about, yeah, I hear the first person I'm doing, I don't even know how to do it, that thing and whatever. I lie, when I did that tell lie, so don't. When I forget that, right? On a woman, when man ask you, so how much money you there with and whatever? What is the commonest response when you give? 3. I want to never pass 5. I lie that, right? We men in the game, we know say I lie that, so I want to tell lie all the way, right? Sometime, yeah. Mama via laugh, you know. And then none of your business, whatever. What's that? What's that? Man alone tell them lie that whatever. No, I believe that she should have tell him lie right there. So she should have tell him lie. I said, no, I never go over him house. We meet at the mall. Him give me the money at the mall. Right? That is just my proud when you come. What is the story, Raga? Like, seriously, when you come in later and then sitting down, I'm going to tell back over the whole sitting and thing. It's a boring for the people who did there, who just hear it. In I sitting, man, you have to go listen it back. Right? You have to go listen it back. Listen back on TamFam TV over YouTube. TamFam TV over YouTube. Over this all I show them post. Yeah, him get the job, you know. Him get the job. Him never wear the suit again. He never wear the suit again. He never wear the suit again. He never wear the suit again. Me wanna wear it neither. Me understand that. Me nah wear it neither. A man come style me up them wear and whatever. Me nah wear about that suit there either. That suit there get burn up. Yeah. You want to talk about the X-Man give him luck. The X-Man not give no luck. No. I'm intelligent, bro. I mean, I don't know him, but for me know, he's an intelligent youth man, so I can't hold him on, you know? Right? But again, no man, them still there. You know, but him no. Me believe I say she and the man never do nothing. Right? Me believe I say she and her ex never do nothing. Cause she said it's not even a thing where her ex, where it was like an issue. She said her ex don't do that. She said her ex not look front from her. Right? She said she and him did talk every now and then. But she said it's not even an issue. So I believe her say she and the ex never do nothing. But me understand why in another position, you know, the man I go say, yeah, well, I never know say you and him still a deal. Whenever people hear them something, them not comfortable with that, you know. Also, you been a deal with your ex all them time, I don't know. And then them take it one step further. So if you been a deal with him and I hide it from me, then who fi tell why you and him could have did that though? Then the third thing, oh, when you come in late one night with the suit and them something, you did over him yard. She go admit it. You know what I say? Right? So we understand how him know the man I got pre things and I said, no, you know, say something could have did go on for two of them going with that thing over there and things, see? But weird. What? TikTok can't come with some sitting, see. No, What am I coming with this, man? TikTok is just relentless, you know, just a try to get you engaged and thing and right? But me know say, no found no agree. For the some people that said like me for tell it over. All right, me go just go to Reader's Digest version. So man and woman there, the man used to in the street, I do so. I don't know what me talk about and thing, and him get bite, and him do a little small stretch, touch back the road. And him woman say, yo, Lego that something, you know, me could balance up a thing and just you know? So them up on the straight and narrow now and thing, and him a work and thing 95 and whatever, boom, him lose him job. You know, stress reach him, him a look more work, him a look work, and get to an interview for a really nice job and thing. But the work we did that before was a kind of construction related type of thing. And what, well, it's not really construction, but it was kind of like that where him never have to dress up and thing. But the new job where him did that go for interview for him did need to get a suit. Him never have a suit problem. Them did the pan E. Fame woman now go borrow the money from FRX, right? And take that money there and go buy suit for him and thing like that for him go up on the interview. Give him go up on the interview. Him go up on one interview. But it's the type of thing where if you go through one interview, you get a call back and you have to do a next interview. So upon the second interview, him go there and him do that and thing, do the interview. They come out and tell us him shut off the interview. And then no, him gone over Chipotle. All germs, you know. Chipotle. Him gone over Chipotle now for go buy some food for go eat. And then when him in at the line, him see one man I look back pan him. Only for say the ex. So the ex keep on look pan him and thing and whatever and him up in the line. So at one point him said to the ex, a big man, where you look pan my friend the ex, and then the ex I said, no, I'm free for look, I want to look and whatever. Them start argue in Chipotle. In a Chipotle. Happy now. Until when him argue with the ex go say, yeah, go and try to run up your mouth and thing and whatever. You don't even know, so the clothes what you have on, and me buy that for you. my money buy that and thing and whatever. Mash up a dog head and thing and humble the dog, and the dog go home now and go ask him about it and thing, and she say, yeah, she borrowed from him and thing. Big cussing and go on between them now and whatever. And she try to convince him, say, she and the man never, she and her ex never do nothing. And him not believe it and thing, and them a argue and thing and whatever. And I just say, at one point, him ask her if the night when she bring home the clothes and thing, when she said she buy at the mall, if at the same time she did go, well, where she did go pick up the money. And she go say, no, me go over him yard, me did over him yard and thing. Me, I say, one, she shouldn't did go do that, right? She shouldn't go borrow money from her ex for give her man. But let's say emergency come up and she go do it, right? Two, a man shouldn't go say nothing to him, even if they might argue, just to protect her. Just for protect her, right? Him shouldn't they go say nothing back to the man about say, yo, my money, this and that, this suit and whatever, right? Three, when she did borrow the money from him, even if she gone this borrow the money from the ex, she shouldn't tell the ex say it's for her man. She shouldn't do that. So even say she go do that now, she shouldn't tell the ex that, say her man, whatever. Four, when she and her man are arguing, the man ask her, so he did go over him yard and whatever, she should have lied. She should have lied. She should have tell her man lie. And said, no, I never go over him house and whatever. This time I meet him at the mall. At the mall, them give me the money. Right? She should have tell him a lie. But that means that she should have tell him a lie. Yeah? Some people that disagree, Auntie. Me say she should tell him a lie. She said she and the ex never do nothing. She said not only she and him never do nothing, she said the ex don't draw for her or want do nothing with her. And I believe her. And there's many situations like that where people reach back to them ex and to help and whatever, and nothing happen. Sometimes some things happen, but enough time nothing happen. But it's just the nature of people for assume say once somebody make a move and go there, so something happen. Right? People believe the negative quicker than them believe say no mix up no dead or nothing no dead for you get preoccupied about and thing. People don't like believe that. It's more fun for them to believe negative and whatever. Me believe I say nothing never, nothing never happen and whatever, But me understand how our man I go like, start move X right. Well, probably that's not the term to you. You know what we're talking about. How our man start move a look away and I say, I don't even know what is what with that, Yeah, you gone over the man here and whatever, you hide that from me and sitting and whatever. Me understand how him feel like we say, yo, something could have did. Go down, Right? Something could have did. Go down. Well, you probably don't want to say go down there, so, Yeah, man. Yeah, one of them little thing there, I don't know, but sometimes some rough times reach people, and people make on some tough choices, with them, You're not found, probably do certain things where, they're in a tough spot, I want to do certain things, I never tell nobody when I carry that go on the grave with on the door. Good evening. Oh, well, let me turn up this. Sorry.
Raga.
Yeah, my day, what I say. Yeah.
I'm there, I go and hold it.
Saying. Rinse.
I have a little thing for share with you,
Say now.
Yeah, man. That's one time I live at one place and I live there, I don't have no girl, but book a big woman.
Yeah.
And big woman have her picnic them father.
The big woman have her picnic them father.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I said to the big one, say, yo, what can go on?
Yeah.
I say, as long as you do things, you do things here,
See?
You're young still, but say, I take a chance,
Yeah. Talk a little faster, though. Talk a little faster. Yeah.
Yeah. Talk to her. Regardless, she said that she not give me no forward. So I offer her a little thing another time. And she say, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
She give me her page.
Mm-hmm.
Me and her do the resume.
So what, you give her a food?
Yeah,
And then what she said on the chun chun, though?
yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And it was good, man.
What
Right
did good?
now.
What the dash out did good?
How you mean?
Me no know you could have did pop though.
I tell her say it good.
All right, cool. Uh-huh.
I mean, and I did it for years, a ropes.
Yeah,
And I time, the man find out say we are ropes. And a
yeah,
circle.
yeah,
That time I have her over my yard.
yeah.
And the man coming at the middle of the night around 12 o'clock, you know.
Yeah.
Walk under my house bottom and thing in a Raga.
What you mean walk under your house bottom? I saw your house set up and then can walk under the bottom of your house?
Yeah.
Oh,
As a board out and me hear in footstep, you know.
yeah, under your house. You hear man I walk.
Yeah.
You hear him a walk under your house though.
Yeah, man.
But hold on, when him a walk under your house, she did under you?
That must, man.
Mean so she under you and him under the house. Duh.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, go on talk. Yeah.
I jump off and go around at the back room and go through one back window and go up on the house top and start praying. And my eye behind one tree. I'm still so. I thought dash two big stone off of him, you know.
You know,
Cut
say
way.
that no so well that no sound. Well you just say well, that gonna make sense, you know.
Most man, where you there, my place, I do. At my place, you know.
No, but if you go so and you go up on the house top, where you get stone for true off of?
Raga, me no come off of the house top, Raga.
Oh, so you come
then-
off of the house top and then throw a stone off of?
Yeah.
Oh, and then what?
He take away himself.
Oh,
More back, same place to the window at the back room.
yeah.
And go back here. And
And when you
start
go
doing
back,
things to him again.
you go back in there and start jump up in her belly again.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
I mean, I tell you.
So when you give her the food for start off, what kind of money they give her? So how much money you give?
Nah, man, I just promise her a thing and just give her a thing, man.
Yeah, but how much you they
You see
give
me?
her? How much you they give her?
Sometimes they about $2,000. Yeah, man.
How long ago that?
Long time, Raga. Around 15 years.
Oh, okay. All right.
Long time, man. A long time, man. The time
So you are
2000 and money.
okay, that time. So you as a young youth, you know, a woman say she not give you the front until you send her some money and you give her 2,000 Jamaican dollar and then she send her on the front.
She never tell me about no money in her, Raga. I just offer hers.
You just offer her
You see me?
2,000. Oh,
She say,
Zane. Zane.
yeah. That
And
me
you
a
say,
humble one.
and you say I start out turn up, right?
How you mean? Alright, now me that take some more.
Oh, Zane. So after you stone him, what happened after? You know, before you go, what happened after?
Him take away himself, man.
Okay. What you mean? Him left her?
No, man, the man take away himself tonight.
Okay, all right then, saying. Now you just go
Take
and
away
be,
himself.
you go and mash it up after that, though.
Yeah, man, me have me happy time, man.
All right, now say a word, man. Respect for share that one day. You see it? Which part you link from? Yeah, which part you link from?
Yeah, link for in countryside, man.
Countryside of Jamaica there. All right. Big up yourself, you know, safety and protection. You hear me, G?
Yeah, man, we're down in a garden parish.
All right. Are we a garden parish at St. Ann, right? No, so.
Yeah, man.
All right. Safety and protection. Here, sir.
Yeah, man.
Man. Jano. All right, to the come in them with the mix up them and thing and whatever. Ladies, I'm gonna tell on that thing and whatever, but sometimes I look at conundrum reach, you know, so me know, I just I go share you with you something from a male perspective, you know, ladies, all right? We understand the thing we say, you know, I send on the thing too early if you and a man a deal, you know? We understand that something there, you know? Right? We also understand, say, if you like a guy and want to put it on him, you may put it on him early because you like him and want him that way there. But if you want to settle down with a guy and stay with a guy for a long time, you're not going to make the man there wait. We understand that, you know. If you just like a guy and you like him because you want one and find, you can run it on him. Quick a clock. But if you like a man and want it, we understand, say you go wait. But ladies, you see, when you make a man wait, there is a sweet spot where you have to find. It depends on who you date. You have to find that sweet spot where you're in that range there where you make him wait so long that he's not right at that spot there now where if you're going to make it past that spot there, even if you give him after, him not going to stay in a relationship. Ladies, if you make a man wait, you have to know which man for do this to you, know, right? If you make a man wait, so you like a guy and you make him wait, there is a certain range, and it's different for every man, but in general, there's a certain range. And it depends on whether man they do a lead up, you know, and if you make him a wait, worse if enough time, you know, kiss up and a feel up on the right at the edge, and you make the man, he might do that something there all the while. Here we may go say to you right, you know. You see, if you make a man wait that long, make sure say you start to turn up, you know. Me tell you, you have some man them no business and thing, and if I love. But you see, if I one of them man they who know what is what I want, if you are gonna make a man a good man, if you're gonna make him wait long, make sure say you're sitting good, you know. Make sure say you can your boom off good, make sure say you dash out the pan point. Because you see, ladies, you see, just like how man I dig out to the years and I tell you what them can do and this and that and ray and this and that and ray and one bag of something and thing. And then when Tory come to bump and all them something there, you nothing no there. Two twos in pop off. I don't know why I'm disappointed. I said, Jesus God, look how I'm going to waste my jokings. Look how I'm going to waste my jokings with this dirty man, yeah, man. I never did want to do it. It's the same way how you do that. Man do it too. But when you always end up at do sometime, when the man don't come back, what you get what you want, right? You know, you not call me again. Yeah. Sometime, you know, sitting no good. And there's something not good relative to where you make the man go to for make him reach the point there. So I say to you, no? Right? Me put it another way. It could have did work, you know. If you did drop it early and you think no 100 and thing, and him say, no, well, you know, a nice lady same way and all them too. But you see, if you frustrate a man, he might get blue balls around you. He would have tear off him pants all the while and nothing run. But gums a bust up, feel up a go on and all them something there and nothing run and all them something. And you frustrate the man. And he might do so for you. And time. And when Tory come to bone, you pop down. Try know say that man then link you back and thing, you know. All right? I mean know why me I say it and who me no call him when me ask me thing, you know, but you know. Yeah, who know where? Yeah. Just know, say, if you're going to make a guy wait so long and thing, make sure, say, your thing good like that, okay? Make sure, say, it up there. See, my dad, correct, and I say, see it, then no knowings after that. Yeah, because sometimes when I feel like, say, on alone can in that position there. Like, man, nothing so to me. I understand that, you know. There are times when people can know some things about people, like, you know, in gender situation, for example, and we just know exactly, say, da 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 da. But somehow one of those feels it can't apply to, you know. Somehow one feels say it can't apply to. Let me tell you the next mistake when enough woman make. And this is for the hot girl them. Woman don't look good. All of woman don't look good out there. All of woman don't looks turn up and all them something. Listen to me now. Listen to the old man attack to you. Listen to Mass Raga attack to you. See? You have some man out there. They will them frightened for pretty woman. Or what them consider pretty woman. You see, if a pretty woman give them a run, and you see when them up in that and whatever, she don't have to do nothing. She can just lay down there like a dead log. And them man, they go think of the wickedest thing that them get. Because I feel them mind is like, damn, I can't believe some I shell out a pretty woman like this, you know? See? Yeah, what the mistake was someone on make now. Wanna start things say, a some man stay. Wanna start things say, oh, wanna just got it like that, it's automatic. Wanna start things say, oh, you're so pretty that any man get it, have a privilege. Sometimes when I consciously do it, sometimes when I unconsciously do it, sometimes when I don't even know so I do it, right? When I just start things, say, I don't have to do nothing or whatever, because from man get you and go in there, I eat that. Right? Then know you're going to meet a quality man now. A man who you want. And you know go start relate to that man then now. The same way. Or you relate to the man them who did frighten feel like you're pretty. When the man then a frighten feel upon that level, you know. The man they have standards now way higher than them. Look, he that man the way you did a juggle with before. And you are going to start to interpret the thing now like, I just some man stay anytime man get this, them lose them mind and whatever, this and that, you know? And then when you get a man who not really juggle so, a man him like the thing, him know him like sort out and whatever, but him not frightened for the thing and whatever. Like pretty woman is like nothing to him and whatever. You understand? You go get a man like that and then you go approach that man that they see him way now. And when a man that was disappointed with your thing and whatever, you know? When I go turn around and I curse the man, no, him don't know what him want, this and that, and then get what him want, and this and a some man stay a man. No. You go relate to that quality man, you know, with the same minimum depressed standards where you did relate to some man who frightened fear because oh you look and all them something there. You see what I say? And you end up a cuss that man then now and I know so you think they're weak. Right? So when you are the people, you have to know, you know, you have to do like what some other woman do and say, no, him different, you know, so I have to make sure some juggle my thing different with him. Him not like Juba and Boogaloo and Pranky who did frighten for me and whatever. This a man, a different man, you know, I make sure some game proper. You understand? Because you can't just go in there and lazy up your things and them something there and whatever and just because you're pretty. You know, you feel say, you know? Eh? You see what I say? Yeah, you have to deal with the thing different. Sunshine, men do the same because they think most women are the same sexually. Yeah, of course. Yeah, people the same. Yeah, people who do the same. Man who do the same thing, on the side. Yeah. Yeah, man out there, you know, who just thinks that women are walking vaginas. You know, I'm just being honest with you. You have men who are like that. You know, them. You know, some of them I can't even understand them. You know. Correct answer. Raga, I remember growing up, them say pretty woman can't do nothing. Well, that kind of change now, I have read. But that's true, and them can't do nothing because in general them never have to do nothing, because, attractive people, men and women, society just give them things, just give them privileges and break and whatever. And them grew up with that, And some of them don't know how to regulate it in such a way that they make sure so them improve themselves and add value to themselves in different way and whatever. And them just grew up and, I get what them want because how them look. And then some of them, they devolve into this permanently entitled state where them things that things must always come to them. And some of them reach a point where if you don't give them what them think them supposed to get or what them used to and whatever, they think you are the problem, Them think you are the problem and thing, And some of them don't even realize, yeah, you're pretty, but you're boring. Right? Prettiness is not automatically equated with substance, right? I don't need to tell you. You can be bored and depressed in a big, pretty house. You're in the house, But you're bored and depressed based on wagwan in your life, right? How many times when you say nice, pretty car broke down on roadside? Don't. Right? I'm telling you, some people have some nice, pretty car and then can't drive because you not work or whatever. Yeah. You can go to I don't know, a highly celebrated movie and you watch it and thing and it's just boring to you and you're like, I didn't have this to make it out themselves or whatever. So that is not a guarantee, right? You must say everything relative anyway, so. Yeah. But it's a thing with supposedly attractive people. Yeah. They, some of them live a life where them not for really work for nothing. So things just come to them. So them end up and, them end up lazy up a thing and whatever. And they always reach a point in their life where when things dry up, because, looks no last forever, all of them people always reach a time and they're like, oh shit, me have to go shape up here now and do so and so. And very often it's late when them realize that, and then goose get cooked. Yeah? Anyway, come up with the mix up them people. Do remember, TamFamYard.com, TamFamYard.com. We're going to kick off a show them over there. We're going to do a show over there later. So make sure someone sign up over there. Right? It's a TamFam thing, Tambourine family thing, a Ragashanti thing. And we're going to go on over there, TamFamYard.com, TamFamYard.com, TamFamYard.com. We're approaching 500 people over there now. Right? TamFamYard, make sure you sign up. You can sign up for free over there. You can sign up for free over there. TamFamYard.com. And you just go over there and sign up. All right? It's a website. Remember, the app not finished yet, all right? It's a website. Raga, any trip this year, we're going to Ghana in April. We're going to Ghana, taking another trip to Ghana, April. In December, I'm taking a trip. TamFam Travel is doing a trip to Thailand, lock and seal. All people lock them spot already. People put them down payment and lock them spot already. The Thailand trip is December 1st. Okay? We're leaving December 1st from JFK. I only can fly in from wherever and thing and catch a flight same way, all right? That is a Thailand trip. The Ghana trip, we're leaving on the 6th of April. The 6th of April, okay? This year there's a place where I want to go. I see them thing kind of balance up and quiet down now. So I want A56, just send me a text at write down a number here and send me a text and then I link it back. 516-500-0210. 516-500-0210. 516 500-0210. 516-500-0210. Just link me about the trip and think. All right? And we have somebody get back to you, or I will get back to you, okay? Which trip are you interested in? A56, which trip are you interested in? I don't know. Is it the Ghana one, or is it the both? All right, link me up, all right? A56, just link me up, all right? Okay. This year also at some point I need to go to Ethiopia, go back to Ethiopia, because I want to do a trip there also. And an Ethiopia trip, it wouldn't be a fun trip. It would just be, that's a really powerful trip. Like when me explain it to you, no phone ever want to go, trust me. I'll even if you can't make. No. A56 516-500-0210. 516-500-0210. Christina, the moderator, is posting it to here. So I said Daniela post it there too. (516-500-0210). No, man, no, I'm just sunshine. Millions of people that travel every day, see, man. I can't no panic, no panic, People that travel, man. No, understand. People that travel. Millions of people that travel every day. All right, everything is everything, okay? Everything balance upon thing. All right. And again, sign up over TamFamYard.com. Come on and do a show over there at the end of this week. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to do it. Miss Seymour, big up yourself. Your beard. Make sure say your beard, and your foot back clean or whatever, cause you don't want to rub up on the foot back per man, foot in a bed and night time on the foot back no smooth. Right? Some man go low, shave on the legs and all them thing there and smooth up and thing and whatever, and then on the foot back have some little sharp edges and all them thing there, you understand? Enough man now tell you, cause them a wallet and thing, them now embarrass you and all them something there, So make sure say your foot back stay right, Miss Seymour. Okay. Daniel, what Daniel say your foot back smooth? I don't know about that, but I have to say that. We'd have to say that, Daniel. I don't know about that. We'd have to say that. No found us on the foot back still good. Tell them, Killer Miller. Yeah, them have them rip-up sheet foot there. Yeah. Them foot there a rip-up sheet and all these things and whatever. Baby lips, what you say? Oh, me know what? Oh, me know what, baby lips? What you mean, oh, me know what? Me know what me know. Yeah. Me know, you mean me know what? Eh? You know, say me I miss I know. Yeah. My son said, talk about y'all toenail. The man them toenail, is that an issue? In sunshine? What? What on there? Tory come to bum. The man them toenail is an issue. Ladies, men like stay bad toenail, that is an issue out there with men. Sissy 88 say, yeah, the man I'm a cut up his shit. What? That a go on. Them Jamaican man, them no want to go do a pedicure and all them something there because, them have all these things and things so only woman alone for do pedicure and them something. The Jamaican men don't forget on a pedicure because the ladies love it. If there's just one reason, even if you don't want to do it for yourself, right? The ladies love clean foot. Men, Jamaican men, me I tell you now, me the woman them talk to, And me the woman them talk to, right? And tell me what go on with them like and what them not like. You understand? And me keep on I tell the woman them talk about that. You know what woman always I talk about? It's a true. No want to talk about it, but true. More and more people are do the things them now, yeah? Right? One time gone, the man never do the something them as much as them, but people are do the things them know, right? People are do the something them know. And what the ladies them say, no found a man who have sour body. I want people, the woman them for go on the head as who don't know sour body. The ladies them I say, on a body for fresh, go fresh up on the body, man. If you don't want to put on the body in a woman mouth. Right? The ladies them come, the woman them complain about that to me all the while, you know, and Raga, you can't tell the man them to so and so, whatever. No found a man to, on the claim, so I don't know what. Men, you see like how shave thing and run now, I tell you again, me depend this for all the while. You see like how the man them now, them want the woman them shave up and the woman them want that to the ladies them like that. Right? You have 1 and 2 woman out there, them still prefer Rasta body. You have 1 and 2 man out there, them still, you know, them still, you have 1 and 2 man out. Hey, you still have, man out there not comfortable with shave front, you know, with ball front, you know. Them intimidated by it, them not like it. You still have some man out there like that, you know. You have some man out there, you know, them still, them prefer natty dread pum pum. But in general, most man, a shave a do it or cut it down, right? So the ladies, them a say, men, you no need to do the same thing them too. Man, me I tell you no. And you don't have to like me and whatever. You can't burn out Raga talk up what you want to talk about Raga. Men, I'm telling you, the ladies like when I'm at least cut down the ear. Because remember I said the ear, biologically, it came about to trap sweat. And that the ear fine. Just from a physiological point of view, that is where the hair under your arm and it for trap sweat, right? So, but what the ladies they must at least cut down the ear because after a while the ear carry the odor. And when you beard, because the ear dead from 19 or long and whatever, and this and that, and it carry the odor. You see what I say? So I'm telling you, the ladies them like it when you cut down the ear or shave. You understand? Right? Me can't say the things them because them can beat me. Me not care. Right? Me can't say the something with them. Men, no don't think about this, but you must go out of your way to make your body pretty. You want the ladies them to look at you and say, what a nice, clean, pretty body him have. No, sir, the body deserve to get some service. You think about it, so you have to be conscious and intentional about it. Right? You have to be intentional with your body. Wash your body good. Lotion down your body good. Shine it up good and all them something there. Talk to your body, right? All right? Make your body develop a personality. Coach your body and thing, right? Develop a relationship with your body. Pamper your body, right? And if you can go to a body spa, do so. Right? I don't, them give body facial. I God, nah man, yeah man, you want, well, them have any place for like specific body treatment, like do they have, yeah, a Thailand body spa though. Shine and glisten it up there where you go say boom and pop off. She said, Bomba, that's how you steer. Come here. Yeah. And then you want you to do down. And that's the thing there. Yeah. Yeah. No found no just so focused on the woman in front that you not think but want to have and whatever. And clean up on the thing, man. Freshen up on the thing and whatever and thing, yeah. Right? Men. No, for the time when so and so are going, you know what you said, the woman them all go bathroom, look a bit and thing and whatever. And them done fresh already, you know, but them go and fix up again and freshen it up even look more and thing. You know, if you do them something that to man, check on yourself and be like, you know, so look shellings are go and look more, make sure it's a boom, bang, bang, bing, bing, bing. No found no clean on the room, set up the right background music, with this and that, the wine, and this and put the right lighting and all them something there. Now wash on nobody properly. The ladies, them a complain, right? Ragashanti, I tell you, right? So no one have to up on the game and things saying, okay. We're verbal expressions, body can give facial effect. Of course, yeah, of course. A lot of ladies, we're not getting in any details there, but a lot of ladies, they appreciate a body facial, you know. Yeah, these are times now where a woman will say, yeah, we're not going into detail, but a woman would tell us, the woman get and she'll comfortable and feel secure and safe with you. I have read. Right? A woman will tell us, I'm going to change the language now, but a woman will tell us, yo, she want a facial. And you know what's up, okay? Yeah, yeah, woman, no. One time, gone a man alone asked them something, and woman said, no. Nowadays, woman said, did you, no. Do so with it. Do so with it. And thing, when the thing up, and say, God, in that zone there, whatever, big up them woman there, Yeah, big up on a nice, you see. But not like on a nice, intelligent body. Not time, on a bright and intelligent. Me like them woman and them bright. Them bright and intelligent. Them nice, No. Sunshine, go read a book. Go read a book. When I ask, I say, Lo, you here? Oh, yeah. Yeah, well, yeah, that ear something there. You have to be careful with the ear, Right? You have to be careful with the ear. But I don't know what is what, no. But big and serious, though, so I want to all want to sign up yet. I can't understand now. Look all I'm telling and me just approach 500 people over Big Yard. TamFamYard.com. All I want to sign up. Go over there and sign up right now. TamFamYard.com. Sign up for free. TamFamYard.com. Sign up. Let me see if anybody sign up since me attack, right? Yes, I know. TamFamYard.com, right? Let me see if anybody sign up since me attack, right? Sweet Escape, big up yourself. Me see you. One person. You see how I ramp with me? You see how I ramp with me? Sweet Escape, big up yourself. Beautiful, large up. Spiritually best, big up. Vandalia, Miss Jones, Merchie, Kimmy Link, 89, Nicky Nan, Outside the Box, Anastasia, right? Mama V in the place to write it large up. Bashment Nan, all right? Glow Girl, Kendrick, Hugo Boss, Marshy Boo, Keelan, Printing. You understand? Big up all I want to say aside. Bushmanuk, backside, Akin, Fifi, Chav, Boss Baby Kiki, Tom's B, Igrands, Darwin, Pretty Noit, Marsha Smith, Miss Cherry Too Sweet, Bombard. All of my mother name, Miss Cherry, David McNeil, Carib Girl, Sexy D, Nick, Miss Progressive, Ivan. Hey, listen to me now. Big up on yourself, the people that must sign up over there. TamFamYard.com. Just go over there and sign up because later on in the week when we start the thing over there, when we start the thing over there, you want late with the thing. You understand what I say? Make sure someone sign up. Because remember now when we're over there, we don't have to have no TikTok rules. You understand? We can go so and say, Alien, come out with Pink Floyd and show Pink Floyd and we don't have to worry about nothing and all them something. I can play my music them and whatever and the whole works. You understand? I saw the thing I go say, we're going to turn up a thing, man, and broke way over there proper. You understand? Well, but you don't have to sign up and things so that when... Oh, wow. Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. May I say something, sir? Oh Lord, let me get. Okay. All right. So when the show done, me deal with this. See, it all some work come in a while ago and think. Yeah, I'm regarding people who want different forms of consulting or. All right, hold on. Let me see. You know, somebody challenge me, say something over there, you know, somebody challenge me about it, you know. Everybody, you know, no one space one there. Which part of there? Say Boston. Just say it, which part of there? Just say Boston. Just say it on there, just say Boston. Okay? All right. Say, pronounce the word B-O-R-N. Which part of there? Just pronounce the word B-O-R-N. Pronounce the word B-O-R-N. Right? Just pronounce the word B-O-R-N. Right one of there. Just pronounce the word. Pronounce it. Now let me help you, poor thing, Lord Jesus. Now let you share a problem assign a poor thing, you know. Yeah. Some of them not used to technology, you know. Yes, but just pronounce the word B-O-R-N. All right? Okay. So I made the argument that when Jamaicans are speaking standard English, they unwittingly, unknowingly, tend to pronounce O as A. I have some people, them take me, shea butter, me see you over there. Yeah, me see you over big girl. So I said, people don't know I'm a nerd, I'm a geek, right? I'm going to tell them, I explain to them, say, nah, man, once Jamaican thinks that they must speak formally, them don't know, you know. But once Jamaican think they must speak formally, them always are pronounce O as A and don't know them are doing. Not no go so. When me I speak formally and thing and whatever, me know me pronounce my O and whatever. So me I say, yeah, you will pronounce your O if the O have the U sounding your car. If you say Brooklyn, they like it that the O, a two O, they say, but the U sound, yeah, we will do that, right? Yeah, you know, sometimes people would write a Jamaican word like booyaka. And then I write B-O, you know. But then I say boom. So I say when the O is like that, fine. But Jamaicans, based on the syntax that we pick up from our ancestors, they are can-speaking people. We tend to, whenever listen West African speaker and you hear the flat A there a lot, you know, they be like, you said my car, ta-ta, car, you hear that sound there. Right? You don't know me attack. You know, the sound, that sound that is said a lot. When I'm in Ghana, even just the sound, if somebody do something, I'm go, we are very comfortable with that sound. And you find, say, a Jamaican, where I say, most Jamaicans, where I say, yes, and I went to Boston, you know, Boston, and then I realized them, I say, Boston. And it's so normal to we, you know, because that's fine. Yes, and I went up to Boston yesterday, you know. Most Jamaicans don't say Boston. Jamaicans say Boston. You hear the O sound like a A? We do that all the time. We do that all the time. Right? Right? When I talk patois, you know, when I talk English. Some people challenge me about it and think whatever. But, you know, no, I don't do that. I don't do that. We do. Me sitting and me listen to Jamaicans and I say, yes, I was born in Kingston. I was born in Kingston. Born. I was born in Kingston, yes. I was born in Kingston. Ba, ah. A lot of times when you're speaking standard English, you O up the flat A. If the A if the A at the drought A is not a problem. It's not a problem. So if it's Palmetto Bay, the Bay is not a problem. You know. But a lot of time when Shanae says she not hear it, well, that's fine. But tell her, you take a nerd like me, where can me catch myself with it, you know, and then I start noticing. I say, oh, it's a thing that we do, you know, like Jamaicans do, you know. And sitting and whatever. Oh. I don't know any fox. Somebody else a link me now, so them want come the TamFam get together down in April there, okay? All right. Shanae, no, I'm not talking about the state them now. I talk about Jamaica. I just say most Jamaicans like that O sound that where you have to deliberately put your mouth. So Jamaicans have, you know, like born. We say barn. Born. He lives in a barn. You know, I was born in Jamaica. It didn't, but it just flattened somewhat. You know. Roland, we're not even talking about the age. Then we don't even go there right now. That's an old story. You know. Baby girl just Americans use A for their O's too. Oh, interesting. I go through a look at phase where I notice the Jamaicans do it. Oh, well, Shanae, it's not for everybody, you know. Who knows? Perhaps you articulate your vowel sounds with precision and clarity. A lot of people do, right? A lot of Jamaicans do. Some Jamaicans do, you know. They will say born. I was born. Right? But I'm just saying, like the people who come from where we come from, you know, hey, you have a big up Jamaican, you know, because you have some Jamaican, you know, their idea of speaking standard English, and then you know them I do it, you know, is just to change the accent of patois. Right? You know, I mind never speak standard English, you know. Right? When I never speak standard, you know. But then all them doing, them change the accent for the patois, and them still attack patois, you know, but them change the accent and things they never speak standard. So if them say patois, them like, no, I'm gonna go over there tomorrow, you know. Right? And so when them say them speak standard, I'm gonna go over there tomorrow, you know. Yeah, well, you know what time you bug up Jamaica and them and do it and thing and whatever. And worse, you know, some of them do it with so much confidence too, you know. And you just see it in them face like, me I switch up a thing upon them right, you know. Oh, you mean, I'm flexible, I'm linguistically flexible and thing. Because them, sometimes them take on like a look of posture too, you know, because speak is spoken now, you know. Yeah, because I don't know what I'm going to do over there, so. Well, but sometimes in some position, like, it just would be inappropriate if you go start laughing. It just wouldn't be a good idea, you know, so you have to contain yourself and not do it, but why you have to love it? Yeah, them time, I love my people, them, man. I love my people, and whenever I go in and them something, man, they're nothing sweeter than here in Jamaica, you know, for them mind, and everything on them face, and you know, them have this thing a lock, you know, yeah, I can switch it up on them, you know, because I'm good like that, you understand? Everything in them face, you know, just say like, I got this, right? And it's just patois with a bossy accent and thing, yeah, boss. Me no know, man. Me no know, you know. Yeah. So real, our sister say, go over there. Listen, sister say, go over there. Yeah. You don't hear me say you must go over there. Go over there now. God. No, Danru, twang. Yeah, it's called twang, but twang, yeah, it's a form of twang. Yeah, it's a form of twanging, what we call twanging. But it's a little bit different from the obvious twanging, right? You have people who, them just a twang and it's just so obvious, like, oh God, them a twang. But you have another set of people who, reach that part there where you be like, oh, it's obvious twanging. Them actually, like some standard English in there, but for them, it's an aesthetic issue where it's the sound for them. But they believe that they're actually grammatically correct in English by just changing the sound. So, fit in mind, if the sound changed, them are nice, And of course, we have had some legendary instances on that on our newscast in Jamaica and so forth. Remember the woman who famously said, or infamously said, listen, the people them over here, they are deading. The people them are deading. And we need help. The people them are deading. And of course, nobody can cross it and all of them. We have had quite a few of those, Yeah, who can cross it and then sitting there whatever. Well, when them come on the new, another confidence when them say it with, and that make it funny, When them say it with such confidence, like the thing just lock up and seal up it. Wait, what? What's this? What come in here, sir? Hold up. Some more people coming here. We have big up D Delish. Yeah. The username there, D Delish. All right. Somebody named Sexy Happy. Okay then. Shea Butters. Big up yourself. Well, on there. Dream Chaser, all this time you never did join yet. Dream Chaser, why me think say you did join already? You just a join? Seriously? What? So all this time I think say you join already, Dream Chaser. Big up yourself. Empress Nache. What's up? All right. Big up all of the people who want to sign up over Big Yard and think TamFamYard.com, TamFamYard.com. Sign up and lock up and seal up. TamFamYard.com. Sign up, lock up and seal up. All right. TamFamYard.com. All right. Let me make sure. Make sure so I don't go over there and thing and whatever. Because we got and bad over there, people. I tell them from now, we're going to go on. And do remember when you go over there, you can send friend requests. All right? You can accept friend requests. If you're a subscriber, you can form groups, but you don't have to be a subscriber to join groups and thing, right? If you're just a regular, general member, you can join groups and so forth. You can instant message each other over there. Angie Melly is asking if she can come naked. Hell yeah. I don't TikTok, if you want to come naked, you can come naked. And remember now, you're going to be primarily amongst Jamaican and Caribbean people who are not bashful in expressing themselves and offering their opinions about that which is presented to them. You understand? So, Angemelli, if you want to come over there naked and thing like that, you're busy in the world, we're going to look and we're going to talk. All right? We're going to look and we're going to talk. Angie says she's always naked. Really, no? Interesting. And you have problem, Here, Milo said, come at your own risk. Yeah. All right, people, come up in the chat. Yeti Boss, Granny Puss, just have 3 kitten and whatever. All right, people, come up in the chat. Come up in the chat. What say you? What say you? What say you? What? No, it open. Any mix up on the have, just come in with it. It open. Any mix up on the have and come in with it. And whatever. Yes, and by the way, me a link somebody for kick off a thing. Yeah, it should be interesting and whatever. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go back to my interviews. And for those I don't remember them, I interviewed them no normal, you know. And I see quite a few people over here on TikTok, like, I interview them, man. You know, I'm going to interview them and post them up on all these things and things, see? Yeah. All right, let me see what I go on. Come here, we don't mix up them and thing and whatever. Remember, you know, when you miss comment, we're not force nothing around here. We're not force nothing around here. A56, make sure say you link me about the trip them here. Which one you want to go, all right? Sean, big up yourself. Sean, big up yourself. Blessings and things, strength and protection. We'll see you. All right, Sean, large up. Okay. Yeah, man, just send me a link. Again, 516-500-0210. 516-500-0210. And things, see. All right. Any mix up, have any drama on the app, send on right now. If none, they will not force it. I may have so much work for go do me, go do it right, you know. See? Yeah. You see all this, you know. When me I do a show or something, I can play my local music, them and all them something there, you know. Yeah, man, me I look forward to them thing there, you know. Yeah, the Thailand trip is Mr. Waki, big up yourself, sir. Me see you, sir. Blessings and respect, Papa. All right. The Thailand trip is December 1st. Set, seal up. Right? A bunch of people already locked them. Anybody who, me never know people are gonna start lock them spots so early. So if you want to go on the Thailand trip, you may want to. And if you want to see more about this, go to tamfamtravel.com, tamfamtravel.com, and some information is over there. I'm going to read you that site, but the information is there nonetheless. tamfamtravel.com, tamfamtravel.com, tamfamtravel.com. All right. Okay. Beachy, Wagwan. Mr. Waki, late, man. Yeah, man, the Ghana trip this April. April 6th is the Ghana trip. April 6th is the Ghana trip, see? Alrighty. Big up your ANC, you know. How many days is the Thailand trip? Let me tell you, right? I just want to make sure, you know, because what happened is we're going into Bangkok, but we're going to fly from Bangkok to Phuket, where the beaches and the create and fun and enough niceness there, you know. So I know we're leaving on. Hold on, this thing, come on, man. Go. Okay. So we'll leave on December 1st, but we're going to leave Thailand on December 12th, and we're going to reach back here on the 13th. So we're going to be moving from the 1st, just consider the 1st to the 13th. But remember, when you leave December 1st, reach till the 2nd. And when we come back December 12th, we reach back till the 13th. All right? Because we leave the night of December 12th, actually, from Phuket. So we leave Tuesday, December 1st, we reach the Wednesday, December 2nd. Right? Okay. So we reach the 2nd, and we're there until the 7th when we leave, and we'll go down to Phuket. And we'll go to Phuket. We're there for 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, we leave the 11th and we reach back the 12th. Okay, yeah. So it's from the 1st to the 12th, okay? Just in terms of traveling and the whole trip from December 1st to the 12th. 2nd, 1, 2, 3, 4, traveling, 7, 2, 3, 11. Okay. All righty. Okay, so I'm not see nobody come up in the box, you know, so I'm going to some juggle and thing and whatever, you know. I'm see what going on over here. So. And Mr. Wacky, what you say I go travel this year, though? And Mr. Wacky, I travel go Africa. Mr. Wacky in the chat say I go travel. When him say what? He said, Mr. Wacky said, no, me I start traveling this year. Okay, Mr. Wacky. All right, then. All right, then. I will leave from JFK, right? And then people fly in and from different parts of the country and them fly would we go there. But when people are leaving from places like London, they fly directly from London and they meet us like in Ghana, for example, you know? Like when we do the Ghana trip. Go to tamfamtravel.com and thing because it's tiered, right? So go to tamfamtravel.com and you'll see the cost over there, okay? tamfamtravel.com, tamfamtravel.com, all right? Okay. All right, then I'm not going to tarry too long tonight. You know, it's an early night tonight and things seen. So I'm going to do some work, you know, and sitting, all right? If nobody come up in the chat, we're not force it. Yeah. Wise Tycoon touch the what? Touch the hot wife topic. Make we hear you what you have to say about it, no? I am here ready. Make we hear what you have to say about it now, Wise Tycoon. Come up in the chat and come tell about it, what you have to talk about. See? Make we hear what you have to say about it. You know, so this Jamaica, Kentucky thing, you like, me never know, say, I saw it big, you know. But me never know from a long time, say, it's such a big thing, you know. But me never know, say, even non-Jamaicans have that something about Jamaican, Kentucky, you know. Yeah, recently, me talk to this lady and thing and whatever, and she's like, oh, you're Jamaican? I'm saying, yeah, I'm Jamaican and thing. Well, I never really needed to talk to her, but and you know, and then she said, oh my God, you know, if you ever go to Jamaica, bring me back some Kentucky. This is a white woman, you know, who, you know, she's definitely not Jamaican. You know, white people, we have white Jamaicans, obviously, but I'm just saying, she in a this thing too about Jamaican KFC as a white woman, and she said she and her friend them think the same thing about it. Me never know say something were gone out there to like that, like, you know. Me know Jamaicans how them stay about it, but me never know say you have all these non-Jamaicans who think the same thing too or whatever. And I don't know. I forgot. Because, you know, and I guess I'm not attuned to those type of details like that. And yeah, and the truth is I don't really, yeah, me eat them, you know, but me don't really eat them thing they're, you know, reggae, man. You know, on occasion me eat them something there, you know. But me have to go really figure it out. No, the next time I go Jamaica, I'm gonna make it like content on this. Cause I'm gonna really taste for them Kentucky. I even see me can bring up some of them. Just even a couple piece and thing and just buy Kentucky up here and bring and just eat the two of them and see if there's really a difference. Because I don't really get it, auntie. But then you're talking about somebody who, when they just come America, me never see the difference between Pepsi and Coke in the taste. It wasn't taste the same way, and I don't know what tell me for say so the people, they nearly name half made and thing. But now, there is a difference between Pepsi and Coke. Yeah. So I guess my mind just not really tune into them things they like that, But me go check it out. Lovely. Do go get it at Harborview. Them store give you a bad name. Oh, you mean don't go get it at Harborview? Oh, what the Harborview KFC now go and go Lovely. And that a go on. The Sham said the KFC not that great to her. I don't know. But it's not really in tune to them things they like that, But this lady, this white lady who I mean, she's in New York, but she's actually from the South too. And she's just raving about Jamaica's KFC. She thinks like, it's just good like that, you see how them thing I may tell you, I think there's this guy called Mr. Jeremy and something or whatever. But he might do these AI things with with these babies dancing, which I think is just the cutest thing, But the one that him do with Brogard and Marky G, them two they bad no. Who see the video them with Brogard and Marky G them a dance all and I do them thing, and who see the video them? So who do think win it? Say I'm gonna do a thing and tell me. And then say who win? Yeah. No, I say the Babsy and Lisa too. The Lisa one and Lisa I'm charge you, I don't know say Lisa I'm charge, but the Lisa one, I mean not the woman them. I don't know if all the person them make it and thing, but the bro got a Marky G, terrible man. Them Billias man. Right? And them whenever make it, them never go as hard with Babsy and Lisa. And whatever. But me know say no founder gonna take side, No founder gonna take side. Me I gonna look like Claffy than that, man. Me I look like Claffy, man. Me can't dance. I want dance, me have when me a dance, When me a dance, I want dance, And it's almost like a world dance as in 90s world dance, One dance me have a work with when me I do my thing, man. CeeLo! Go on, big up yourself, All right. Yeah, the Andrew facial expression, them wild and thing. One I time, which one of them have like him stick out in tongue. Yeah, man, I tell you, hey, the AI is something I don't know normal, Let me tell you, man. We are the blessed. Me the link about the thing over Big Yard. Blessed, me the link about. Blessed. Me never link you back here where you go to, right? Yeah. Blessed, me the link you back about the sign up over Big Yard for your subscription. You got it? Okay. Because anybody, if you want to TikTok, man. All right. Anybody who want to upgrade your membership to subscription, at the top of the page, you will see a sitting there, it say upgrade your membership. Upgrade your membership, okay? And you can do that. Second, again, this is people over Big Yard, TamFam BigYard.com. All right. Second, for all of you over there, and you were posting your stories, and the stories them never come up, the stories them fix now. The stories them fix now, right? Let me go in our stories them and whatever. Let me see. All right. That's a Nicky story. Cookie Monstress. This a Cookie Monstress story. Angie B story. All right. Angie B, big up yourself. That Gene just sit on by you. Oh, yo, watch you now. Oh, them baby. Oh, you mean? Fritz story. Okay. CBS story. Leo is the ultimate friend a soldier could have. Whatever. And then Chantel Rose story. So I don't know, say the stories them fix now. All right. I fix those. What else? Okay. I don't know, say in the yard for everything and whatever. Nikki, are you didn't make them shrimp there? Are people video you put on and thing? Shelly Cunningham, I see your profile picture and thing that yellow there work for you. All right. So stories fix and thing and whatever. Okay. So 2 people send me 2 friend requests. I accept them and thing. I want yeah man, so I make some little videos too, make some little tutorial like videos. Wanna see what I go on and sitting. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. All right, cool. There was something else. I remember me mention it. Okay. So just make sure you go over to tamfamyard.com and sign up. Tamfamyard.com and sign up. Okay. Somebody sign up, just name Tickers. Large up yourself. Right. Tasha Fan, big up yourself. Sweet Nelly, big up yourself. All right. Big up all who just sign up. Tamfamyard.com. Tamfamyard.com. Okay. All right. Let's see what I go on there. So. Yeah. Okay, come on.
Good evening, Raga.
Good evening, a good evening to you. What's up?
We have a mix-up with you.
Talk to me.
So, once upon a time when we used to be a Yamed.
Yeah.
No, true.
Uh-huh.
Man, a Jamaica way. You know, I'm a good looking man.
Yeah.
I know say I give me money in Raga, but I can't prove it.
Yeah.
Can't prove it. Right?
Yeah.
Once you give me key, for go down in my apartment for go take up some clothes. I used to wash him clothes for my weekend time or something,
Yeah.
Like advice that me say for go cut a key. I'm cut a key.
Jesus God. What is advice tell you though?
It's advice just to me say for cut a key, Raga, I'm cut the key. Sometimes
it's not your fault, the device fault,
no,
the device fault.
Advice
Fault.
Raga, I'm gonna follow my man and cut the key.
Yeah.
I'm say one Christmas in a Raga, I said the boy disappear for the face of the earth for 3 bloody days. 3 days me I call the boy. Can't get him. Nothing. Disappear. So one man just said to me say, I come from work one day, and him live a Boulevard. I live a Spanish Town. I'm just come off of the bus out of Boulevard and just walk go in. Cause me
Wait, walk go in. Which one?
Walk go. Him used to live on a Corville. What the
Washington Garden,
Washington Garden.
Okay.
So jump off of the bus out of Washington and walk go down from Washington Garden and go in yard, Raga. And open up in place. And never did they know. But Raga is a guy who have a girl who come from foreign. Right?
Oh, okay.
It's like him have a girl who come from foreign and the man the girl did it. Raga me a search in place, Raga me a search in my place, and I find the girl's suitcase in a closet with her clothes them or something. I got
Yeah.
that me a hustler and I used to sell them. Look, you know, me a working but me used to sell clothes and shoes and them like something, you know. I come
Yeah.
to clean out the girl's suitcase.
What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?
I take out everything: clothes, boot, drawers, earring, perfume,
Not the drawers.
everything
No,
out
you
of the
never,
girl's
no, you never
suitcase.
take our drawers.
Everything, Mr.
You
Raga,
never
I
take your
take
drawers.
everything. Mr.
You
Raga,
didn't
I
leave the drawers.
clean
But
out.
don't believe
No,
me. You
Raga.
never touch your drawers.
No, Raga, me say me clean out the girl's suitcase. I clean it out.
All right, and then yeah.
You see the next day, I go up at my workplace to see I'm just a sale out. Little and nothing come now hold no price.
You sell them?
Sell everything, Raga.
Wait. You never
Raga,
sell. You never sell the
everything.
drawers. You never sell the
Mr. Raga, all
drawers.
the drawers, them me sell everything. Everything, Raga.
Well, a beer new thing she buy if you come down, though.
Yeah, foreign she come from.
Yeah.
I talk about some of the things I'm not talking about some. Raga, everything. You know, the girl them know some, you know, me normally sell things and something, but you know.
Yeah.
So me get a tip, me get a shipment from foreign and I not hold the price, I just try and make a quick money. Anything them want, just give me a way name the feed.
Yeah.
Raga, I make sure them know some come there. I make sure them know some come there. You understand? Cause I used to work I say which one I used to wear uniform. So make sure I left my uniform vest there. So them know some come. Raga, him can't ask me about it.
He never ask about it at all. He never ask about it.
No man, after 3 days, Raga, when him finally appear, you know, me I said to him, say, oh, where did they? And him I said to me, say, oh, when I'm cousin, he come from foreign and he borrow him phone. So me I say, hey, then your cousin could have come from foreign and borrow your phone. And me I call you for 3 days. And your cousin couldn't answer the phone and say, boy, you know.
No, man, I did emergency and thing, you know, whatever, man. We spot with them, I couldn't call you, man, because I be things that go on the ends, you know. I couldn't, me did not want to shout you back and thing, but you can't use a phone this way, you know.
But I said, nothing, man. So I said to me, say, if me have a key for my apartment, I said, no, you never give me a key. Why would I have a key for your apartment? You never give me one. Where you want? Give me one? And he must say, no, because he did have some things there and he miss it. And I said, what kind of things? And he must say, no, man, just some little something, you know. I said, no, not me. I don't know about that. And then I go to fret him because the girl come back with the girl now and the girl now no clothes.
But of course, I reach out. I think
I have no clothes. And him can't open him out and say, dinner out me about the clothes. Because where do we, girl? Are you yard?
Yeah, no. And what? But you sure say it was your walla man?
No, man. I'm Raga, as far as me concerned, that's from the day, Raga. I don't own a next man, you know.
What is it from them time they don't care who you talk to, you know, own a man?
No, I don't own no man.
All right.
Good man. Mr. Raga, the boy that do me something. I chew me an idiot, you know. Me an idiot.
But you can't say you're an idiot because somebody did a bone you. And then
No, Raga, the boy do me something, man. After a while, my wise up. After a while, the Raga, I start boning back, you know. Wicked, you know.
What you mean?
No, Raga, I start burning him left, right, and center, man. That boy used to just disappear from me, Raga. Him start making the habit him disappear. So every time he disappear and come back, me just disappear.
You disappear to all.
I just disappear. I just call my mother and tell my mother, say, if him call you, me alright.
So when you start
this for me, just know to me alright.
So when you disappear and thing, it never did a bother him. He never did I get frustrated.
No, I wonder. Yeah, man, I start licking style on him, man. I'm a cousin from England.
Yeah, adapt me tell people, you know, when you're in a relationship and somebody keep on and do something when you know so is egregious and serious and disrespectful and whatever, nothing wrong if you reach a point where you say, listen, we need to talk about this thing, you know. You see, that's something we have to boom, 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 boom. If them lie and go around you and whatever, fine. Don't spend the rest of your time in the relationship and try to get them for change.
No, true, Raga, true.
Yeah, when them do a thing, after a while it was low them, and there's a thing called mirroring. You mirror their behavior, right?
True.
Whatever anybody use as weapon against others, that is the very thing them fear. Right?
true.
Yeah. So when you say them people that do them something there, the worst thing you can do a ball and a beg and a beseech them and why you do this and look me do for you and that. Don't bother with that something there. Don't bother with that
Them no
something there.
business. They don't
Them not busy.
business.
Worse if them is a narcissist or whatever. I just that that's them why them have you know, cause you always reach out to them and thing or whatever.
True.
Right? What you for do now? Them a disappear, you disappear too.
Yeah, man, me have to start put some disappearance stunt.
Yeah.
Put
Yeah.
some disappearance stunt on him, Raga. And but I'm still like the boy in Raga. I'm not like to, you know, I'm still that idiot.
What I wanna go?
Still, no, I'm still like the boy at the time in Raga. Cause even though, you know, I'm a good man, so, you know, even though me I born him, Raga, you know, I take me for left the boy. I saw Raga the boy, I get a baby out of rather that make me left him, you know. I feel like say if him never did I go breathe. But show you me I eat it, Raga. If the boy never gonna breathe, I can get out of rather, I'm find out, you know.
Oh.
Probably me and him would have still there until today day, even though I give me bone.
You that still there with him even though like...
Yeah, cause him start me find one little ugly man with Raga. Me like my little man them ugly, and me find one little ugly man, you know, he might take care of me or something. I'm in a tree bad looking.
Mm-hmm.
So you know, the man just anything me say, I just that him I work with. So he said, my man I'll disappear and him come back and me just call him and I said, boy, you know, say I feel like I go on the north coast there, I go here. Him not ask no question, Raga. That's the way I go.
Right away.
That's the way I go.
That's right there. Which is right. And thing. And gone and whatever.
I'm gone.
So well, you didn't like the ugly man or he was just a place?
No, man, Raga, I didn't like the little ugly man. Come on, tell you something, man. I don't care nobody with Raga. Ugly man treated the best. I tell anybody that.
Well, but
treat you the best.
But is it the case?
My man, they treat me good and tell me ugly man.
No, but what I understand, when you say ugly man treat you the best, so it's about the treatment and not really about the man, right? I saw it go.
It's a thin line, right? Because just like we, you know, go back to what that I talked about earlier, right?
Yeah.
When a man knows say him no face boy and him get a girl way, you know, him can par with my road or she looks somewhat decent. You understand?
Yeah.
Him go above and beyond and him treat her like, you know, because he might try to put on a facade for say, okay, you know, whatever. But not that it was a facade. He's a very nice guy, which made him a friend until today day. You understand?
Oh.
That years ago, but me still maintain the friendship because at the end of the day, that was a good man.
Right.
You understand?
But
was it
right through? It was it somebody who all thing being, you know, somebody that right out with that man and second that man for the rest of
no, because him did have him woman.
So the ugly man did have him woman.
Him have him woman.
But what I
money, you know them money man there Jamaica, them have them woman, them have them wife, them yard, and them have them this and them that and them, you know, it was just one of them situations. And me know what him myself say, me and him now go there, straight out or whatever, you know, it was just in the moment say, all right, this is this, you know, he might take care of me, he might do him thing and that's it. You know, me just me I do it because me I try to burn back my man. But at the same time, you know, he's a nice guy. I
learn me one learn. So when you juggle with an ugly man like that, no, for say, you know, say your thing up in terms of how you look and you stay well and all them something there. But you juggle with an ugly man, you burn back your man and whatever. I guess what me want try for learn. You enjoy the company of the ugly man, do you? Or were you happy with him?
I enjoyed the company, the treatment, everything.
Everything.
You know, separate and apart from the ugliness. You know, it was a very nice guy you can talk to.
If the man
treat me good, so it was the treatment.
If the ugly man never there would have him wife or whoever, right? And then the ugly man said, John, you know, are you know, and we just want to go right out and thing. You don't see yourself there with the ugly man right out?
Yeah, mother there with him.
Okay, I that my one know. You're there with him?
Mother there with him.
Right. Yeah, all things being equal, if things kind of work out.
All things being equal, yeah. Mother there with him.
And why you say you like ugly man? Why you like ugly man?
Boy, Raga. One thing me hate is a good looking boy when no same good looking. You know, me have a problem with that. But I don't like a boy, a good looking guy, we know them good looking because me not like man who feel like them pretty. You understand? I don't consider me, you know, like whatever, but
Right,
me not like a man who into you know, like
right.
me not go for, I don't go for them pretty boy the way that's a girl I run down them, you know, because over the years you grow, you learn them. There's something that at high school days where you go for face boy and
Yeah, the
face boy
cute
a
one
bully for
them.
girl and you know, face boy sometimes all man them have to. So in these days, you know, no, but I real talk. Some of them all man them have to.
Yeah,
You know, but me tend to go for like the mid, you know, mid to ugly because you realize that sometimes some of them, even though they do,
Wait,
they,
you
you know,
just
when
say
them
mid
get
to
girls,
ugly? Mid? So a mid a white
like
like
mid ugly to ugly, you know, like you
mid
can
ugly
look.
to ugly. Well, so what you mean? Say have
Yeah,
someone
mid-ugly.
well, you have someone when not too hard for look on, you know.
When
You
not
can
too hard for look.
yeah. Them not too hard
for look
on the
you know?
eyes and thing. You can okay, so no look a midway.
No, them not too, yeah, you know.
Okay, you
Them
work
tend
with
to
them.
be a little bit more. Although some of them start with things say, you know, them actually more than what they really are after a while, you know.
Right. Because so the idea is you like ugly man because they tend to be more when them get a woman like you, them tend to be go all out for you, you know.
More
because
attentive, yeah. They tend to be more attentive, more attentive in a sense, you know.
Okay. Man learn. Right? More than I look a pretty boy and all these things who just into himself and all them something.
No, them they did high school days of me a pick me a big woman now, you know?
Yeah, and not treat you or you have be treated and all them something.
Nah, me learn long time say them something they're not gonna wear. Granny used to my grandaunt used to used to tell me how the way to say them, you know, what for you, what she used to say, what for you, what for we.
Oh,
She
yeah,
used to
the
tell me
know
how
some
we used to sit down
teacher.
and talk about my money, you know?
Then tell the woman themselves,
What for you, what
your
for we.
things are for you and theme things are for uno. That you talk about? Yeah.
No man, you know, like remember one time we sit down in terms of like relationship, you know. Remember, you know, me like a girl, young.
Yeah, them I was saying, they say, what for you can be unfair.
This, you know.
Them I want
sit down and talk with my friend them about my man, you know, woman and something and my granny used to always come out and tell me say, what for you, because you see, you sit down with us, so I say, you're a man, and next girl over this, I say, I'm my man.
Yeah.
So what for you, what for we?
So you say from them time they, you know, own no man.
No, I own no man.
You know, own no man.
One man me ever own in my life, Raga, I now own the next one.
Yeah, never again.
Not even past, no man, not even past social media. I never post up, not even past social media, I not post no man. If me and a man date,
but hold on, so from them time they, you know, but you've been in an exclusive relation. You've been in an exclusive relation.
Yeah.
Oh, but you just you just say you not put nothing past no man.
No, I'm not put nothing past no man. Yeah, I don't don't get me wrong. I'm not use my past experience for, you know, I'm bringing to my current relationship and say, you know, I'm gonna use it against them or anything. You understand?
Right.
But you do learn from certain things, so you're not gonna like make certain mistake again. But when it come to social media, because the way I see sometimes rag up on social media, or some of them are money embarrassing to them woman. Yeah, I'm gonna run them joke their birthday upon my WhatsApp status. That's it. Christmas holiday. That's it. But regular social media. If all anybody care, me nah no man, nobody know want me.
No, you know what me see on social media all the while. Me come out and say nothing, me see it, you know. You have some people when they get them man, the woman them especially, you know, when they get them man, bay this with vacation and look what we make for bay and with this and a beer bay and all this and
all the time.
One bag of something, you know, this and that and all. I throw wood pan some girl, you know, and say, oh, some girl don't want this and that and thing, but we're just strong and whatever. Then well, I don't. Then after that, you know, see them post there and make for a while, right? Right? So you see the post them I make. And then after you see them post I make for a while, but like 6 weeks, 2 months after, them come on. God am I, man. A God me say, I just God me say righteousness me say right. I know, and only God can. Anytime you see them go about
No, it's
baby,
true.
and then
Them
take a
gonna go
break,
to God.
and then they come back and I say, God am I, man, or whatever. You say, yes, man, them a got you with over there.
I see.
Yeah, you can't
That's true.
sweet
And
me.
that's the person in the comment. So when they say it's just me and my child, yes, and
Yeah,
them
just me and
start
my
them saying them.
child and thing and whatever. Me
No,
not put no
sir.
faith in nobody. I God alone. Me have
No,
faith in
no,
who God bless.
no,
No man
no.
curse and whatever. And the, anytime you know, I go
Me
something.
nah do that.
Yeah, I mean, I say, but now
Nah
Miss
do
Lady
that.
the day they
Me nah
hype
do
up about
that.
man and all them thing they were there and watch you know. I just got alone today with no. I want to get me say them can
No, I
entertain
see
me.
her something.
Yeah.
I see her something. Birthday. Pa my WhatsApp status 24 hour. That's it. Who around me? My family, everybody know my man. That's it. If you see we in public, you see we in public. But the whole social media, it's something back them time, they probably social media, the prevalent as it is now, more than no same to have an ex gal, but
Oh, okay.
you know,
But you know, if you
pause,
investigate them something they don't.
no, of course, yeah, man.
Yeah.
We are
Okay.
woman, you know. We are woman, you know. Every woman know if you investigate, you know.
No, not every woman.
It just take
not
one
every
thing for top it. Well, that's true still, but you know,
Not every woman,
for the
not
majority of us, we know if you investigate, you know, for tapping your senses and be like, all right, we'll go.
Me I go ask a thing, and I mean, I want nobody believe I'm being misogynistic or chauvinistic or rude or this. I just I use the language that was used. And then, because from a youth, I go up Jamaican, man, them have this thing, I say, women who are not attractive, and them have the best sort out. Is it the same thing over with Uno? With man?
With man?
Yeah, like, is it that the pretty boys them sort out is not as good as the man them Uno too?
Rugged, I can say from my experience, yes.
Yeah.
And I will say yes.
What?
I'm gonna tell you, so they from my experience of being with man, you see the young, pretty good looking boy, Rugged 2 minutes and them come.
Oh.
Rugged them now not used to themselves. Rugged, cause them not eat good and them not feed them body good. All them have just looks and you know the pretty them.
And probably them mind like women, you know, them mind are really
Probably,
into if say, listen, I need for read to make sure so this woman is satisfied or you know, or them mind are really into the woman them like that and care about them for say, all right, I go over and beyond.
Yeah, because for them it's just another, you know, so it's just you know,
like, dime a dozen,
you know,
get
whatever.
them anyway,
When,
you know. So,
yeah, exactly.
thing,
But when
you know?
when you have a man who
them
you
not
know,
really
like you
go
go back
hard
and
and
say
them
like
away there. Correct.
you know, the one them with get true, like the one them feel like so them not that good looking or them no whatever, you know, them put in the work. You know, them put in the work to make sure say, you know, if remember, so them probably have them looks against them, you know, so they have something for
Yeah. I mean,
you know,
yeah.
to say, all right.
Yeah.
I go start her out good, so if I even the start out, I go come back for a good start out.
Yeah.
Because it be like that, you know, just the same way, you know, like a woman might just tell herself, say, oh, you know, I'm just going to take a one off for the money, and just like men, where, you know, we think the same. Or sometimes I believe women even think worse than men at times. But
yeah, wanna do,
like
but
woman,
you know, but a lot of women want people know so wanna think that way.
No, they don't want to admit it. They don't want to admit. Like I have a conversation with this guy that I know the other day, and I was telling him, I said, listen, from a woman meet you, she know from the very first conversation whether or not
she
she
go
sleep with you or not.
Yeah.
You know, if I fight a woman for sleep with her, you know, if I do the most, you know, she know from the get-go, from the first conversation, whether or not this I go down to that part.
And if the man them pay attention to the woman them, him can know to say, yeah, I think my likely to get it at some point. She not gonna give me no, but based on or whatever, pay attention to certain things. But you can't tell too. As well as you can tell, like she's being nice to me, but I'm not gonna get it, you know?
Yeah, you know, just
you know, so you're not gonna get it. Yeah, you know? Yeah, you can't
just like man, if a woman and it's just like a man, a woman might sleep with a man and just you know, because if every woman should be honest with themselves, mentally we sleep with a man before we sleep with him physically.
Sweet, say that again.
Mentally,
Yeah.
we have sex with a man mentally
Yeah.
before we do it physically.
Oh,
right?
interesting.
So-
Interesting.
When you know, say, all right, you're going to engage in the physical act,
Yeah.
and that sex where you have in your mind, that mind-blowing sex where you picture yourself and say, all right, you know, based on how the guy look, how him sound, how this and that, you then create this narrative in your head, say, all right, you know, the start out are gonna be this way. But then when you go, and in actuality, it's not that. You know, a woman know from there and then say, all right, once him come off of me, you know, that's it.
Nah, go back there, so yeah. It was not,
Nah,
it's
go
not
back
gonna happen again. Nah, go back there, son.
This
Yeah.
not gonna happen. You know, never. Raga, it happened to me. It happened to me, you know, Raga. Never
Yeah.
man tell me the most things over the phone in a Raga. And then the
Yeah.
man go out and when he come down to that, I'm like, no, sir.
Disappointment.
You know,
man. Yeah.
to this day, I'm asking, yo, man, I see you again. Yeah, man, I'm a busy man. Never again. Never again.
When you see at the beginning of the show, I was just making the point that ladies, you don't do them something.
Yeah.
Men do that too.
We
but
do.
sometimes
We do.
women think like
Women just don't want answer. Women
They
don't want to
accept
admit to it.
not only them don't want to accept it, them anytime me hear a Jamaican woman said that statement, yeah, the following, it at the point in which a bit of a turn off to me, you know. And from me, I grew up, me a whole heap of Jamaican say, no man, something must wrong with him. A which man say no to front. You ever hear a woman say so? You ever hear a Jamaican woman? Yeah, I was wrong with him. A which man you know said no to front. And it's like, are you an idiot?
Just like we said
Just
no
like
to a man,
yeah, when they say no and while and whatever.
you know.
You understand, you know? And thing, you know, some of them now, and you have these women now, them with 20 million man, no, I don't want you, the man, I look them, no man. Them see a man who them like now and them, you know, signal to the man, so me like and whatever. And if the man then reciprocate, him don't know what him want, no good man there again, and da 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 da. I'm like, B, you have 2,000 man and look at you, know what them and you not get the one where you want. No, you got something
get the one
wrong
where
with the
you
man.
want.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's how we see
That's
it.
something that,
Shame to admit it, but as a woman, that's how we stay.
yeah.
That's how we stay for true.
Yeah, well, you
That's
know.
how we stay for true.
Yeah.
That's how I go. I'm not every man. Man talk to, just like how we talk to man, I will know, say, you know, me not go back here, so. I want to tell you a joke. Me have a friend, Indian dog. We call him Dog. One
Okay.
night him carry home this cat, you know. I was see him with the girl and I say, yeah, I'm gonna knock it. Come back the
Yeah.
next day. And where I said to him, say, yo, like, you know, well, go
Yeah.
on. And the man said to him, say, yo, man, the girl got one bar, you know. And him say, the girl drink 6 Guinness and 3 Magnum and smoke a weed, and him tell the girl, say, she for go on home. That's that.
What did the girl do? What?
Drink 6 Guinness and 3 Magnum and smoke a weed. And him tell her, say, for go on home.
No, I'm saying now, go to say with
Nah,
her, though.
that-
Why it intimidate him, though? Eh?
He said the girl, him said the girl that looks bad if you go kill. Mind you, before the girl coming out, him did a boss, him a go murder that, you know.
Yeah.
Right? Him did a talk up the things, him a say, yo, what am I gonna do to the girl, you know?
6 Guinness
But
and
when
3.
the girl, the element of surprise, because when him go to you know, I will one drink for start the mood, the man say, yo, him tell the girl, go on home.
John.
She come for murder him.
Well, I mentioned it here
How come she
before.
come for murder him, say him nah.
No, but you see, another part of that too is when me did I grow up, the only time me see woman drink Guinness a Sunday when they put it in a carrot juice, right? So, cause Guinness was a man drink. Not only Guinness was a man drink, women hated it. The women couldn't even understand. I want to drink that, it was bitter or whatever. I mean, I like me date a woman one time, a Guinness, we were to her thing and it threw me off. I mean, I'm not like that anyway. I was way younger them time, but someone I know if I probably something like that him go through. Because you have some man in there, they like them woman feminine, you know. Right? But you have all these symbols and things that connote gender. You say a woman do this and a man do this, a woman do this and a man do this. So you find say sometimes a man me in a space now where a woman start with something where to him what register is there's something mannish about you, something mannish about you, something move like a man. And that can turn off a man.
That's
you know?
true.
So 6 guineas and 3 magnum and couple spliff or whatever. And maybe like, no, what's feminine about? Well, I say, yo, it's a dude this in a place, yo. You know, I have to go on in a
You never make him leave it, dog.
Yeah. No, man, the dog must say, John, no, you know, I do the intelligent thing, yes, sir, because anyway, I'm going to go, yes, sir, now and all, some calamity reach me. Nobody for blame but myself, because I see the red flag, them and thing, you know, because people are going to say, well, you say she do, she thump in your eye when you start out and thing, one thump in your eye and I punch you. Yeah, are you a wrong man? They don't tell me, say, the girl drink 6 guineas and 3 magnum and couple split. Where you going to start her out for? You lucky you never did. Yeah, no. Yeah, you have some, you know, you have some women, them juggle some way, them kind of come over certain way where, you know, I want to go through it too, right? When me I like a guy and whatever, and me just make all a wrong move and do something turning off, and you be like, no, son, man, but me did like him, but him do so and so and so and so.
Yeah, that's true. That's
And
true.
just
Everybody
turning
has
off and thing and whatever. People have them little quirks and them little pet peeves and so forth and thing, you know, where you know make you go ahead and yeah, that's something there, you know. Yeah, but man go through it too. Particularly man when I'm frightened for front, you know. The man they can be like, no, man, I bother you have to go home, you know, you take time, ease her off and thing and whatever, you know. Then that man who can't get front and whatever, yeah, them go through them thing there too. That man turn them off and thing. Send her along, man, you know. Let me go weird. Anyway, big up yourself still, you know, respect for the meds,
All right,
yeah?
I gotta big up yourself.
Yeah, man,
All
love
right.
and blessings, man. Cool. Anna. Okay.
I don't even know how to take myself off of this.
No, may I take it though? Okay. Yeah. I'm people know I don't want anything being rude with the ugly thing or whatever. I'm not one of them people who beat people and all them something there and whatever, you know. But it's language that is used out there in the world, as many of you know, and things like that. But the idea is that some people are, or would you say this? Some people are incentivized, you know, based on their pluses and their minuses to excel in some ways, you know, and to improve their skills in some ways, while others are them not to do it, you know. Them just lazy up a thing because either way them good. So them not to develop certain things and whatever. So you find say that's why a lot of so-called pretty people a lot of them shallow. And I'm not mean to them as a bad person, you know. It's just that every human being, any culture you're in, them have things where you work towards. Any culture you're in, you know, some cultures different. If you go to some culture in Asia or Africa, things them different. But we are familiar in Western cultures, Western style cultures and whatever. You have things where everybody in the culture them work towards, whether you get a house, a car, you get a this, you that, or whatever. Them have something where people work towards. If you step up in a life or you have ambition, this is where you work toward. And people who are generally attractive or really pretty, they generally don't have to work towards those things because it's handed to them. You know? So because them not have to work for it, them not develop them skill there and thing. The problem with them though, you know, the big problem with them not have no problem. I get the something them, you know, I get the people them and whatever. Them just can't keep it. Them just can't keep them. A lot of really attractive people who get comfortable with things just coming to them, them can't get the something them, you know, then can't keep them. I can't tell you how many attractive women I know. When I say attractive, pretty woman, they get any man, they can't keep no man, you know. They cannot keep no man. And when them do keep a man, is a man who just a dead over them. Him just dead this one, whatever. So them just have him like a puppy show and whatever. So, you know. Yeah, Caribbean girl. Or if you spoil, none about them people them must spoil. And, you know, sometimes I don't know for them fault and think I find them a picnic. In them the pan road and all them are here. Jesus, what a pretty little girl, what a pretty little boy. I find them so it's just deeply embedded in them unconscious. It's almost like a natural order for them, you know, to like just be, and the thing come to you. But you find say a lot of those people they don't know how to treat as a man. Me can tell you say. You meet woolly attractive woman, really attractive woman. Them don't know how to treat man. And them are bad people, you know. Them just don't even know how to take care of man. Them don't even think some man need to take care of. All them life, and most of what them know is people that take care of them. And that is their natural order. So they have never had to learn how to take care of man. So when they meet somebody now, it's generally the case where, well, I am pretty and you're getting sex and you know, whatever, may pick up your dry cleaning and things. So that should be it. Because that has always been it. Right? Sometimes when them people in a relationship and things reach a point when the partner talk to them and say, no, but you need to do someone like you don't have to check in with me. All right, let me tell you something. This one no. It come from there. You have a lot of women who say they like strong men, right? And them have an idea of who a strong man is, right? And what components make up a strong man, right? And they appreciate it. And them nice and them loyal to the man and whatever, because this is a strong man. Right? But they don't know how to be strong for a strong man. They have no idea. Right? And some of them actually get uncomfortable if the man who them there with, because he's such a strong man, so composed, him know him a do, he moves with purpose and thing, him take care of everything and whatever, da, 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 da. Some of them when a man they go in a space where him no know, you know, him may go through a rough day and whatever, you have these women, you know, them don't know what to do. Them don't know how to relate to that man there. Right? They will love the man, you know, because no man, I can't talk to him, you know, me and him reason good and whatever, and when me I go through my thing, and them will love the man for that, you know. But when him I go through that, them don't know what to do. Enough man who they with them type of woman there, them just understand the thing and just don't even bother, them just say she that, you know. Because, again, you know, let's to be clear, that woman can be a very nice, loyal woman, you know. Devoted and now man, the whole works and what. But you have a lot of women who, then we get a strong man. And it's not just woman, it's just in general. You know, the people, them say, check in by your strong friend. Check in by your strong friend. But people, them just have this thing, you're like, if you're strong and you have it together and you compose, people like that boy, you. People are attracted to that boy, you. You know, whether them will just align with you as a friend or they're with you or whatever. But if you are going to have something else, some of them get all confused and get thrown off about it and like, so when I go, no, I'm not used to him like that. I don't know what to do. And then all when the man reach out and go say, you know, what you can do so and so or whatever, you know, like, the worst thing you can do, and I tell you before, you know, man, I like them, so easy for you to say, but I don't know what you want me to say, what you want me to say, what you want me to say. Yeah. Nice people, but them don't know. They're so used to be taken care of that to them, that's a natural order. That is what you're supposed to do. That is what men have always done. That is what people they've always take care of me. You're supposed to take care of me too. But them don't know how to take care of that man, you know. Or them don't know how to take care of the person who is always there for them, you know. They don't know how to be there for the person who them love, respect, honor, whatever, who is because that person is always there for them. They don't know how to reciprocate that. Because they were never trained to do that. They never had to do that. You understand? I mean, a literal explanation of it is like, you know, if somebody never, I eat food all their life, but they never cook yet, so they don't know how to cook back. So they may love somebody who cook good and whatever. Mark you do, you know, you have relationship or work that way there, you know. And the people them happy, right? You know, some people don't agree with it, but you do have relationship or work them way there. You have relationship where one person is always there for the other person emotionally, but that person is never there for, and them happy. Because the person who is always there for that person, them not expect them for them, you know. Them there with them for some other reason. And them happy with that. Right? So, you know, but there are times when, you know, strong people go through them thing. You know, particularly in this day and age where you hear women I use term like, he's just not emotionally available, you know, he's so one-dimensional and da-da-da-da. Well, you have man who go through them things, and I say, yeah, me want a woman who can, you have looks, you have money, you have this and that out there and all them something where people draw for whatever, you know, you dress good, you have money, you have a good career, you have nice house, you have blah, 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 blah. The strongest thing with whole relationship together is just knowing that you have somebody who understand you. Understand you. That's the strongest thing with whole relationship together. And then you talk about compatibility, right? You have not found one all that, but the most important thing in a relationship is trust. Yeah, trust can be really important. Well, listen to me. All I want to meet people who don't trust 100% and know say them whether just them transparent with you, them whether never betray you or whatever, but you just not feel it with them. Right? And sometimes when I try force myself with them because he's a nice guy, you know, he's a nice girl and whatever. Trust them 100%, them devoted to you, that give you the world. And yeah, so you recognize it, all the things them tick off. And yeah, I said, yeah, I'm supposed to like him. I'm supposed to like her. I'm supposed to love him. I'm supposed to love her. Like, but me don't feel it. The trust is there, but in you don't have that something that from that person that who understand you in such a way where it's almost like you can feel, so them feel you. You know, and this is, you know, your relationship gone on another level, you know. You know, y'all go through some feelings and you go around that person there and them not say nothing and them just start move, them body are moving somewhere, them not say nothing or whatever, but them address how you are feel and nothing not say. At them time that you know a relationship, yeah, right? Y'all go through a little fears or a little meltdown or whatever and thing and that person that y'all look like. And you got your meltdown and okay. You want to take a walk? All right. You want some soup? Right? And them don't even follow you in your mind, yeah, and say, them know what go on, you know, them know what go on with you, understand you upon that level, you know, right? Y'all in some drama with some people and them just come up and you they lose it and whatever and them come up and them just know exactly what to say to you or what to do to you for kind of like reach you up and a kind of deep psychological level when nobody else can. You see, when you and somebody sync that way, the man, you have that psychic connection, the man. And when I remember, and them somebody can be PNP and the next one a JLP, you know, and them have that connection there, you know. Yeah, one can be Republican, one can be Democrat, and them still have that connection there, you know. So, but I said the people them feel similar. Of course, you have to have some commonalities there where the two of them on the same part in some ways and whatever. But me, I said, nothing to beat when you there with somebody and that person just understand you, like them just understand the little thing about you, them can feel you. And just, no, not do that. No. And you know, them sense you, them just come and just feel a little shift from you and just say, come lay down. Come lay, you know, or something, you know. Yeah, that is sexy. Yeah, that is sexy. Yeah, when you can't say what the person I think or just know them I go through and feel them and thing, man. And yeah, man, and them people, and when you have that connection, then you go out the road, you know, get distracted, you know. Yeah, because even if you see something attractive out there, you know, right away you go back and say, yeah, she look good and she ain't going and whatever, but can't connect with me like my woman and know say Ray, you know, she not have that something, you know. It's all good, you know. And when you go out the road and you see some proper man out the road, you know, and thing and whatever. I say, yeah, him look good, yes, like him have money and him look kind of nice. And you know, so I say, for him he able to relate to you that way and connect with you that way, then probably it's doing but dead, you see. Yeah, man, I always I emphasize that and thing, and I mean, there's no say, and this way, which means there's nothing wrong with just having fun in general. If I say you're there, you meet somebody and it's not that deep, you know, run around, but you like that person there and things, so you just want to have fun and whatever. We probably can evolve into that too, into that strong psychic thing or whatever. You know, so you know, something where you have to feel right away. Usually those things, you know. When you say sinner or we reach or something, what you mean or we reach or so? You're there in the show how long and see how we go. That's yeah, we do over here, so whatever. This is from the conversation I just had with the lady, you know. But she go through something with Miss Amanda where, you know, it was just like a wake-up call for her and she just not let her guard down from them time, you know. You know? Oh, that. Not paying attention. Kimberly, Kimberly, well, I think you kind of misunderstand what sinner did mean. Let me say, I mean, I want to go start, you know, pepper on one another, scotch bonnet on one another and thing. Seeing? All right, people, watch your ride. I feel like we're still in, I'm going to let you go yesterday. But no, honestly, I have some stuff for me for done in a week and whatever, so to make a thing. Rise a thing on another level. You see what I say? All of the people who love coming at the chat and I say what on have and thing about on and come time. By the way, when we do things over big yard and thing, it's gonna be phone. Alright? It's gonna be phone here, so just keep that in mind. Like over here, we do that look of something over here, but when we go over big yard, it's mostly gonna be phone. Alright? TamFamYard.com. Make sure so you go over there and join. You can join for free. TamFamYard.com. TamFamYard.com. You go over there and join for free. So by next week, we want to have at least show over there for at least once a week. We want to have show over there. Now let me see if can we need to get something from some of my programmers. Okay. All right. People big up on yourself and thing, all right? I tell you something, I know why at night time, them time, well, if you not eat throughout the day, you're most hungry them time, you know. And what time? No, by tomorrow I should know when probably I gonna have that show there. Yeah, tell her ya sinner. Tell her ya. Sinalicious. Daniel said she just had send you add you over Big Yard. She just add you over Big Yard. Here. Jamaican teddy bear, your thing seal up, you know. The man they take the 1 year option and things seen when they sign up for a year. You see it. People Big Yard I go on, you know. Remember me telling you, you know. Okay. Sub live I go on to me want do a sub, me want start to a sub live by come here set up. Me not come in want people go get to whatever. But by next week we're supposed to can start back sub live, you know. But again, it I go over me telling you where it I go there. Right? Well Kimberly, you know easy, you think me a papi show. And it's about me not to leave it until she finish her workout. No, I'm gonna juggle, man. See? Stephanie, big up yourself. But again, people make sure so no go over Big Yard and join. All I want to there. Enough I want to watch me right now. I want to go over Big Yard and go join it. All right? I want to go over there yet. TamFamYard.com, TamFamYard.com, TamFamYard.com. Go over there and join. All right? Be a something I go on and do remember when we start the private outer of them, it's going to be I want different number. Yes, Christina. It's going to be saucy. So that aspect is not going to be for everybody. I mean, when we just if you don't want to come in, okay, anybody can come in and think from your subscriber, you can come in and think over the pan that. Right? But just a reminder and say that aspect is going to be an adult sex entertainment talk show. An adult sex entertainment. That's a separate thing from the live them where we are gonna have over there. The live them going to be for everybody. But that me explain the distinction and thing because some people cannot angle them type of discourses there, you know. So we get that, and that's cool. Right? Some people can manage a talk about what we Jamaicans would call like, you know, slackness, right? And for some people it's nothing, right? So for the people who it's nothing and they welcome an opportunity and a platform to talk about these things that they don't get to talk about and to learn from others who have experience in certain things and whatever as grown people. That's all right. Okay? That's all right. So if it's not for you, it's not for you. And if you can't manage it, then fine. Let's do this, okay? Just want to, again, just kind of reiterate that distinction there that you're going to have options. That's what I'm putting together. So it's the type of thing where you only go where you want to go. So it's not like one thing just did it for everybody. Different things going to be located at different things. So if you don't want to go over there, so you don't go over there. So just in general, you know, go for everywhere for entertainment, right? Right? Some place you leave alone because of your thing then. And then people have to respect that. See? And just lower you make you do your thing. See? All right? All right. Big up on yourself, people. Love and blessings. See? All right, man. Let go, you know. I go. No, me seriously, I go do some work right now, you know, honestly. Yeah. Drink some tea again. All right? So tomorrow, 6 o'clock, I'll be here. Christina, big up yourself. All right? I'll be here tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Okay? Tomorrow, Wednesday. Daniel, Big Bear, Jamaican Teddy Bear, say I'm just sending a friend request. I'm go over there, I'm look over Big Yard and see. Let me see if anybody put up any other stories here. Again, we just want to remind the people the stories that I work here. Oh, Shanae, look at you. Colin Click put up him story. Shanae, I see a story. Shanae, those eyes, what's up? Ravi King, see you, my G. Big up yourself. 1 Milo in the building, you know. Watch out, I'm going to put a Milo video, you know. I'm going to put a video of Milo. Nice. Who did I say them can't post video? See, Milo post big video. Milo, I say that. Boy, Milo, I can't keep up with you, you know. You did a Japan. Then you did a war. Then you did that. You must see the Vietnam. Now you're there Panama. Look like I say that, you know. Milo, you just look so regal. Milo, Milo is a woman, by the way, people. Empress Milo. We have another Milo, a man who did carnival. It's Empress Milo, you just have a majesty about you, you know? You have a majesty about you. You exude relaxed confidence, you know? Yeah, and it come out in your picture, them, you know? Big up yourself, you know, Milo. Verbal expression, when you say Milo need to give you instruction. Roddy Brown, big up yourself. Cecile Nelson, which part this now? Cecile. Cecile, this look nice. Talent. Oh, I'm absolutely loving every minute of the past 3 hours just sitting here in silence, feeling completely at peace. Big up yourself. Seymour, Bomba, bad girl, Seymour. Seymour, my hairstyle, I see I give them from what day. I notice you're not too smiling and you picture them, you know, Miss Seymour. Miss Seymour, I notice you're not too smart. I like that ear the way you work with, you know, it fit your face, yeah? Miss Seymour, that ear the way you work with. Your lips are nice. Your lips are nice. No, people don't go over big yard, go look at me see. Wait, this is a video, let me see video.
A brown skin. Woman, I love the minds, I love the spine, I love the passion. You the way.
Well, let me see more. No, sir. Maddie, what you know? No, what you know? A model look shaggy them, you know. A model look Miss Seymour. People wanna go over there look at Miss Seymour. She go on. She look good. Big up yourself, Miss Seymour and thing and whatever, yeah. And big up all that. Well, let me look at Shanae. Shanae, man, look at your oh, there you go.
So every day, maybe 17.
Oh, that was Ravi King and thing.
So every day, maybe 17 song. Me not like the jury.
All right, no, big yard a go on. I like it. Thing I pick up. Colin Click. What is you put up yesterday now? Let me see what.
Now we are growing in love.
Sure. I like it. Go on over there. Yo, people, I like it. You know, man, it will take off, man. It will take off. Latisha, just anybody have any problem, just send me an email, admin@tamfambigyard.com. Any problem you have, admin@tamfambigyard.com. 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 Okay? Any problem you have, you just write I, and I will answer the I. Scene. Yeah, man. So just go over there and sign up, see? All right. tamfamyard.com is the same place on the go, or tamfambigyard.com. tamfamyard.com. All right. At the same, take care and go the same place, and just sign up and thing. And make this thing I get busy. Right? And again, remember, you know, when we're over there now, we are going to have our own little space, free from limitations of social media and thing. And we can do I stream them over them. I said, I make you know about which part of I go for watch a stream them and thing. And then in general, the yard I got just active, you know, because when I go dip on the timeline, on the page, on the post, it will come in the yard, and different shit never go on. All right? Big up on yourself, people. Blessings and respect, man. And I Mars and thing, and I will juggle back right just at 6 o'clock and thing. All right? Love and blessings. Guidance. Brown skin. Girl, I wanna need to be brown skin. The person you bring. I want to Ellie, but she just wake up. I want to this one, yeah. The show done early. Show done early tonight. You're not feeling no way, you're early. At what time I land on now? 2 o'clock in the morning now, after 2 in the morning. So what you do, I wake up them time early? Eh? I rather look one wake you up. I miss a man wake you up, though. Taller, big up yourself. But no, man, I wake up, you go pee-pee. All right. Greg Tan, big up yourself.